Yo, you straight? Cause I can't hear you, my guy. What you change up now? So that, okay, okay. I feel like O'Shea. This is on the 15K chart. No. Okay. I'm like O'Shea. Oh yeah, let me get up in there. Come on, we need to get you to $4, baby. So yeah, if we can rise like the previous day, that'll be 35%. That'll be straight. I feel like O'Shea. Okay. Oh, this looks like, they might sell this off a little bit before a pump. Because on this one, it looks like a head and shoulders pattern. What do these do? But I think we see 210 today, ladies and gents. 210. Sherman, I don't know what you're doing, but I cannot hear you. I see you in the chat. You're not muted, but I cannot hear you. All right, so, but then obviously if it gets down here, it's getting bought right back up. Let me see. Oh, no. No. Man down. We got mic issues. Actually, they might take this high. According to this chart, they might take this higher and then drop it again. Man, they freaking ran up. Man, does your mic have any on-off settings or volume settings? I don't know, but we cannot hear you. Okay, I'm about to try to. That'd probably be a more.
Dude, hold on. Can y'all hear me? Dude.
I can hear you
What
now.
the?
Finally.
What?
What you do?
I'm so pissed, dude. My mic was muted. How did I?
Okay, that's a simple fix. No biggie.
I mean, dude, I didn't touch anything. That's what's frustrating. I didn't touch anything. Why is my mic muted? Okay.
Maybe.
Hey, JC, I see you in the Discord. I'm actually give you a special role, man. I don't want you to pay for this, man. You've been with us since day one. You've been supporting. You're gonna get a lifetime access to our Discord once we get it up and running.
Can he hear you?
Yeah, he should hear me.
Where is he at? I don't see it. I thought he had to be in the meeting or.
No, I see him as a member. He may have not said anything or anything like that, but I see him. At least on my side.
Is he online?
Yeah, he's in the chat.
I don't see him in what chat? YouTube chat?
Yeah.
I'm talking about this. I'm talking about
No.
Discord.
Oh, maybe you can't see him. I don't know.
I'm talking about Discord chat. I saw him as a member in the Discord.
Yeah.
Okay, we got to go crazy. Yeah, like I was saying, I don't know if you could hear me when I was talking. I think we hit in the 200s today.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna at least retest these highs. We're gonna at least retest
Yeah,
it.
going over here, hitting the highs in the pre-market and then dumping at 4 o'clock. I was
Yeah.
like what? What? As soon as people get access to the pre-market, they're like, oh yeah, let's sell everything. Let's sell our shares. I'm like, y'all crazy. This mess going up. Look at all that getting ran through. I want to, oh shoot, I want to see an entry at like 75 if I can get it, but I doubt that. Look at all this price action.
It's gonna probably get sold right here. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna get sold because we're at the bottom of this range right here. So we'll see the underbelly of that range.
I'm trading my live account, baby. Wait, so it says waiting. You started the stream or?
I should have. It should be starting.
Oh man, because I hit the. Okay, we'll figure that out in a minute.
You get what?
We got trades to look for. We got setups to look for.
Yeah.
I joined the little waiting thing where it had the countdown,
Mm-hmm.
but for me,
That
the
was
stream
playing?
hasn't started. Yeah, well, I don't know if there's any music playing, but hold on, let me just go to your page.
Okay, I see it. Okay, everything's good. Oh, my targets got hit. I wasn't even paying attention. I wasn't even paying attention. It's like all my targets got hit. All right, so we might see some resistance right here. I'm probably gonna wait for. We're gonna probably see some selling right here. We're gonna possibly re-enter right here. I'm gonna possibly re-enter right there. At 75. You say you wanted a 70 entry, right?
I wanted 75, but shoot.
Yeah, we might not even get it, but we'll see. I'm gonna wait.
No, that's I know. I don't want to be like, oh, it's too high to buy, but then you don't want to get trapped and clapped up
Trapped and
here.
clapped. Hey, that's new. Okay, we like that. Trapped and clapped, baby. Trapped and
I want
clapped.
to get trapped and clapped for sure. Oh man, my entry's got to be perfect. I do feel like, man, shoot, RSI is going crazy on this one. It's overbought on the 2000 tick. 5 minute just looks ridiculous. The 5 minute, that's a dildo candle if I've seen any on the 5 minute.
Dude, I'm FOMOing into this, man. You're not. I'm
Yo,
a FOMO into this.
no way. No way. Oh, should I?
I've already FOMOed into it. I'm not playing. I'll just put my stop up.
Dang.
I'll just move my stop up underneath this candle.
I should play micros then, because I can't play around.
Yeah.
I can't play around with this.
No. Damn. Okay. That was a small loss.
See, I can't afford to take that. I can't afford that. Gotta be sniper or be perfect or catch the elevator. I either gotta be a sniper today or elevator rider. No stairs for me today.
Yeah, I ain't trying to take the stairs, dude. So 114, 117. You know what, NQ? Because all right, so we got our two-legged pullback into support. So we might be coming back to rebalance this area. This actually might be the short. But then we got so much momentum.
Yeah, that bullish momentum is crazy right now. No FOMO. Okay, I didn't take it. I wanted to though. Gosh, I wanted to. I didn't take it though. I'm okay. Now I'm maybe looking for VWAP. If we get VWAP, that take us
VWAP
back
is
to
all the way at
101.
987. What are you talking about?
I got VWAP at 102
102.
on
Oh,
my
you got a
chart.
smaller chick? A smaller time frame?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it at 102. Let me see. I definitely don't trust shorts in this mess though.
Oh, hell no, dude. You shit. I already told you yesterday. This shit can go down to 0 and I still won't short it. Shit. I ain't shorting nothing, dude.
See, the Nasdaq done turned you. Gave you a gray beard, huh?
Man, this is how stressful it was yesterday, people. I grew a beard overnight and turned to an old man. No, it wasn't stressful. It was frustrating. What was equally frustrating is after I left my damn desk yesterday, and that's when the NQ wanted to actually throw in some price action.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was frustrating.
Might not get 102 though. Hmm. Oh, damn.
No, I'll do the beard today. I'll do the beard today. Do the beard. Beard is sherm. Okay. Yep, that's what the NQ does, people. She will aid you. If she will aid you. Let me just move this right here real quick. So, I mean, this is looking like it's trying to find support though. On the higher time frame, it's looking like, but no, I'm gonna wait for the. I'm gonna probably wait for the. Nah, no. Okay, because we got the two-legged. Uh,
Decisions, right?
yeah, yeah. Uh, nah, this is going down. Okay. I mean, if we're gonna look at, because NQ picks and chooses when she wants to be technical.
Mm-hmm.
This is a double top, people. This is a double top. I'm thinking the Bulls might come back in. The Bulls might come back in. Let's just see what they do at 100 or like right here. Because yeah, on the smaller time frame. Hold on, is this right? Why is my VWAP? Is this right? This can't be right.
What?
This can't be right. This can't be right. Where's
What are you
price at?
talking about? Price is at
Because my
bouncing at
VWAP is not.
115.
My VWAP's not right. Because my VWAP is man. Yeah, I'm gonna go in right here. We'll see. All right, so VWAP session. No wonder why. Okay. All right, there we go. I was like, dude. There we go. Okay. Nah, I'm gonna let it ride, baby.
Oh, you in this?
Yeah, I went long for a quick scalp. Like, I'm not gonna risk too much money on this one because I said it is aggressive. But let me get my key. It is a very aggressive entry.
Yeah. Look for a snipe.
Man, it is aggressive.
Damn, I missed the entry. Shoot. Where'd you get in long at?
It was a bad entry. I wish I got in at VWAP, but I was messing with
Yeah,
I was messing with this, man. Like I said, I ain't playing with. I'm not playing with her today. Not with this bullshit target stuff. The targets. Okay.
All right, girl. What you trying to do right now? Let me see. Talk to me, baby.
So this is what I'm looking at, man. So we tapped into supply. We tapped into this supply. We had all-time highs because look, we made an all-time high. Well, let me say this first. Hey, if you want to make money, show up to the NA meeting because we called the top last night in the NA meeting. We called the top. So, but anyway, so we got this move down, this big move down. It's looking like they're coming back to retest this area to rebalance this area right here. But with all this bullish momentum, it makes sense that you're going to get a lot of buying, even though the market is now trying to short. Appreciate that, JC. Yeah, JC made money if he took that short. He made money. I'm talking about we called the top. Well, I think I called 158, but it got to 162.
Hey, it's close enough, baby.
That's close enough, baby. That's close enough.
For real. Just like when I was looking for that one target. What was I looking for? I can't even remember. It's okay, yeah. Ooh, okay.
All right, so yeah, okay, so we're going down. I'm not gonna try to fight this. I'm just gonna wait for support. Hold on.
Okay, I caught the
I
short.
have no clue why you choose to mess with me when you have your
123.
own.
Caught the short. I'm trailing it. I'm keeping it tight. Yeah, I gotta keep it tight because I'm playing with real money today, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta keep it tight until I build a cushion. No simulated money over here. My orders getting thrown on here is affecting the order book. As insignificant as my little one size, one lot is, it's still getting put on the order book. So, got to keep it tight. Got to keep it tight unless I catch a. So here's my game plan going in today. It was either we ban a sniper today. Sniper, I'm talking like 10 points, 10, 15, 20 points if I'm lucky. Or I'm gonna get in at the bottom or top and let it ride. I'm gonna ride it to glory for like 50 to 100, 50 plus points. We'll say that 50 plus points. But that's my game plan right now. So we'll see. Like I said, I either got to be a sniper or let it ride, baby. And hopefully, hey, I wanted to see a touchback to VY.
And there's one
We
thing.
never got that. Wow.
Okay. All right. This is why we FOMO.
Yeah. The longs is obviously playing out though.
Yeah.
They're gonna play out better than the shorts today, for sure. I mean, we may get a dump. We may get a dump, but I was telling Sherm that I'm looking for 210 at least. 210. Shoot, if it's a bullish, like a Super Bowl day, I could see 250. But 210 is what I want to see. The first target. 210. Come on, Snow. Oh, I'm tripping. I gotta monitor my calls, baby. How we doing? I bought snowflake calls yesterday. While everything was kind of down. How we doing, baby? All right. It's these other calls that's holding me back. Damn it. Damn, Big Bear AI, Riot blockchain. I mean, I got time on these though. I got time. I got until March 15th. Everything's from March 15th. So we'll see.
Okay.
We'll see. I'm up like
Kids, you got a freaking level.
$200 total. Yeah, I'm up like 220 bucks on these. I bought two separate strikes, one for 205 and one for 200. Um,
Okay.
well, that's that though.
Is your 150K combine, is that in Top Step or Apex, Alfred?
Where's my good entry at, baby?
Yeah, dude, I don't know, man. This actually might be going for the. This might be going short, dude.
I mean, we might go down to go back up.
Yeah,
I could
yeah,
see
yeah,
that.
yeah, 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 yeah.
I
Definitely.
could definitely see that. But I'm trying to get that perfect entry. I want that Street Fighter no damage entry.
We might have to wait for that. I mean, if you have the balls, I think this is a short. I think this is a short if you have the balls to
See,
do it.
I don't, right? Well, I don't mind. But right now, I'm in a lot. I could see it too forming on the 5 minute. I could see it. I could see it unless they just do some clown stuff and just come in full force and start buying us up. I see it on the 5 minute. Not quite the 15 yet. I kind of want in the hourly's bullish. I kind of want confirmation on these higher time frames.
Let's pull up some book
But
map because I ain't got book map up or nothing.
right now, dancing around. Man, I think I got these Snowflake 200 calls. Price sitting at 191 right now.
Mm-hmm.
If we get a push to like if NQ gets a push to the 200s, I think I got these. Cuz like I said, my strike is for $200.
Mm. I mean, they're not doing nothing with SPY,
Oh,
anything right
I'm
now.
going off. No, I'm gonna go off your price action right now. Look at the. Hold on. The 2K chart is looking like how your chart was looking yesterday. The technicals.
Yeah, this is like it's
Okay.
going down, dude. Yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
this looks like it's going down. I mean, we touching all-time highs. We rebalancing all-time highs. We gotta remember that. Remember when
yeah.
Price got here, we had like what, a 500-point drop? Almost. Don't quote me. I'm just estimating, but we had a big drop from this level. And this is his first time rebalancing this area. So you're going to get a drop. We're going to get a
Damn.
drop in this area. So,
Damn, man. Of course, I missed my entry on it.
well, I mean, I
That's a
did say
big
if you had
drop.
the balls to go short, go short. I did say that
You
because it's
said
looking like
it,
it's
but I
short.
said I don't. I said I don't right now.
I mean,
I'm playing with
SPY.
real money, baby.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
real money on
Okay.
the line.
It ain't that
I
prop
can't be
money.
risky. It's real money. This ain't that prop money. Damn, man. I wish I had the cojones to take it short too.
I
All right,
mean,
that's
the
okay.
SPY flow ain't doing nothing right now. It's not doing nothing.
Damn, that's okay
Yeah.
though. Double top for real. Double top for
Hey,
real.
technical analysis,
Uh,
baby. Hey, good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mike Thomas. I'm just gonna call you Mike.
oh,
Uh,
oh my gosh.
technical
I wish I would have took that
analysis.
though.
But I think we get right here. Like, let me see, man. I mean,
We hit the
uh,
middle of the highs and lows.
yeah. So this
96
is
is
the
the
middle of the
middle of the
range right
high and
here.
low.
So yeah, this will
Yeah.
be the middle. If you trade right here, you're in the middle. You want
I
this
ain't had.
entry right here. Go ahead.
I should have took the VWAP entry. I'm tripping.
Uh,
I'm not sniping. I'm shooting and missing right now. I haven't taken a loss yet, and I'm up 200 bucks. Shoot, I should probably call it.
nah, nah,
I should probably. Nah,
nah.
I'm gonna miss out on a big move, a gigantic move. I feel it. I know
Mm,
it.
I
Or
mean,
could this be forming a head and shoulders if it goes up and then rejects again at in the 130s, 140s?
does this go up? That's the real question. I mean, okay, so we got this big dump. We got a micro two-legged pullback into another dump, but the momentum is slow. Let's look at the daily volume. Let's look at the daily volume real quick. I mean, oh, okay, I was about to say, yeah, again, low volume again. Another day of low volume.
It's pretty terrible.
Another day of low volume. So we're gonna get that low volume crap again. Oh, actually, okay. Okay, I remember why. We got news coming up. I forgot. It slipped my mind. Let's look at that real quick. We
What
got news
news is
coming
coming
up. I think it's like a report, if I'm not mistaken. And then we got some more Fed speakers speaking all goddamn day again. So
They
you
need
know
to
how that
shut up.
goes. Yeah, they need to shut the hell up
They really do need to shut up.
and let us trade, baby. Say this shit over the weekend. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so let's look at the economic calendar. Yeah, we got some news coming up actually in a few minutes. In 9 minutes, that's why we're getting this slow price action. Let's look at that.
Well, guys, do we make a run for the all-time highs before they come out, or is it going to probably stall out at the 23%?
And I'm thinking we're gonna probably stall because that's the energy is given right now. All right, so yeah,
Yeah.
9 minutes.
I'm in long at 115, but I'm gonna put some protection on this because it's real money, baby. I'm telling you, it's real money. I can't afford to play around with her. All right, I'm out. It stopped me out. But it's probably gonna shoot up.
You think so? We'll see.
All
I
right,
mean,
I'm up.
there's gonna be a
I'm
bunch
up.
of bulls coming in, but if we get a
Yeah,
shoot up,
point
it'll
of
be
control.
a rebalance of his area. I don't know why I did that.
All right, it's cool. I got out. It's cool. I mean, it's straight. It's straight. Uh, I ain't tripping.
All right,
My
guys.
scalps and snipes have been just like a couple $100 a piece. I've only taken 3 trades,
Let's move
and I
this out the way
made
for like 2 seconds.
$300 on 3 trades.
Yeah, we got the ISM number coming out, so yeah, get out. Actually, yeah, you might as well
Oh
get out because the margin's gonna
yeah.
increase.
I ain't. Yep.
Yeah, so this is a
We're
red star news. Yeah, you get liquidated in a negative. It's like, yeah, the margin requirements. Yes. So we have ISM coming out at 9 minutes, 7 minutes
they gonna be
now.
like, nah, keep his position open. Run up that tab. Yo, bastards.
Yeah, we got the Fed monetary policy coming up at 10. And we got these loudmouth, always want speeches. Like, you just could have had one speech, said everything you needed to damn say, and that was it.
Yeah.
You want to have
Now they want to
scheduled
be
10 fucking speeches in the same week, bastards.
yep on purpose.
Yeah,
They want to
hear themselves speak.
be dirty with it. Yeah, but I'm out of that 115. So I got 115, got out at 121. I wish I could have got out a little bit, a few more points higher, but I thought I was gonna at least get to 23%, which is like 130, 131,
Mm-hmm.
and then fail. But like you said, we got news and stuff coming out. I'm not messing with it.
Look at that. Oh, look at that pattern. Oh, that's a long. That is a long. Oh, I'm not taking it though. I'm not taking it though. But it's a long. It's a long. It's a long. Let
It's
me
a
close my
long.
eyes and not say, oh, it's a long. Ah, it's a freaking long.
It's a long.
Ah,
It's
it's
a
a
long.
long.
It's alive.
Ah, okay. All right, dude. Whatever. Whatever. It's long.
All right.
But yeah, you see this pattern? We got this big drop taking out all these stops beneath these lows into support. And we got higher highs, baby. Higher highs. You got.
Maybe maybe it's playing us into thinking it's a long. Actually, it does. Well, yeah. The channel is up. right now on my 2000 tick. So
All right, we got that algo push coming up, and now this shit want to work.
5 minutes. Clear your positions if you're. Oh,
Yep. Clear the positions. Clear the positions, people. Let's see what they do here. Let's see what they do. Because now everything is red right here. Everybody's selling off their position before the news. Let's see what actually happens. Let's see.
RSI is sitting in the middle. The delta is neither green nor red on mine. Like no real sign yet. We gonna we're gonna get that at 9 o'clock. But right now, I guess they're just waiting for like you said, waiting for that news to come out. Yeah, PMI. What was it last time? If it was over last time it was over 50, right? And it was good. Gucci.
So, actually, I don't know, because I mean we all know that the news don't really mean nothing. It's how the market reacts to it. But if it's over 50, that means it's good. If it's under 50, that means it's bad, or something like that. It means expansion, and obviously if it's below 50, it's contraction. But that shit don't mean nothing. It's how the market reacts to it. Yeah, I've already shared that story when everybody was talking about that SPY story, where I think that was like my biggest trade at the time too. Everybody was talking about going short because the news was so bearish. And then for some reason, SPY went super long. And at that point, I was like, well, I know data don't mean shit. All it does is makes the market react irrationally. That's a truth. So that's all the news does, is make the market react irrationally. Okay. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, she does. She does do that. She is a siren. She is a temptress. She is truly intoxicating. She'll hit you with them patterns like, baby, you can come back in. Look, I'm setting up for a long. You know you want to get long. Look at all this. Look at this pattern. Higher highs. The tick strike is green. You know you want to get long. You know you want to get long.
Get over here. Clap you.
It's like, baby, you said get long.
Get over here. Come here. Fatality.
The responsible thing to do is wait for it to break out of this range.
I hate I gotta wait. I hate it.
Mad Moxie says she just noticed the beard.
NQ stressed the man out.
The NQ stressed me out. Well, she aged me yesterday with her crazy chop price action. Just for her to do all this. Oh, look at all this price action. All this after I get off. Okay. But yeah, she is looking like she's ready to go long though.
We'll see what the numbers maybe. We got 2 minutes. It maybe provide us an opportunity to catch oh no. No way I would have held through all of that though, just for a couple extra points. Okay. Watch be careful. Let me see. This could form a head and shoulders on the 2000 tick though. Oh my gosh.
All right, let's see how the market reacts to the number. It's coming out in T minus 40 seconds. Or not 40 seconds, 20 seconds.
Look at these orders on the the DOM is looking even like messed up. Like they don't know what to do. Orders all over the place. The freaking what you call it? Okay, here we go. Whoa,
Oh
shoot!
no!
Oh my gosh!
No! She went long! No! No!
Oh my god!
She told us. She told us. Man,
Yo, yo! Oh, look at that revenge drop though. Jeez,
she
more
told us.
all-time highs.
You know what, baby? I'm going long right
Ah,
here, baby. Oh, don't
no,
do that. Don't do
too
that.
soon. Don't do it. Reconsider.
Don't do that. Yeah, hit them targets. Hit them. Hit them.
Yeah, hit the targets. You went back long? Oh, I don't know, bro.
Okay.
Oh, that was shiesty.
We're gonna
Nasty work in Q.
we're gonna try this again, baby. We're gonna try this again. Hit them targets.
150. Oh, there's a lot of heat up there. They trying to. Ooh.
Ah 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 ah.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. They were taking profits right there, but are the bulls gonna come back and buy it?
Oh shit, we just got that big massive pump. They better.
I know.
But I know you're in the
Fine, they better.
you in the
Yeah, I gotta take smart entries. I can't, but I feel terrible missing out on the good stuff.
yeah.
Man, the gaps is like everywhere too. Like,
Yeah, this is the NQ that we know and love right here, baby. This is who we know and this is who we love.
you right. I could go along with the micros. Actually, shit, I'm not playing around with this just in case we get a vicious drop. Just in case we get a vicious drop. Actually, 15-minute, 5-minute.
Man, he always doing that. Just take my damn target.
All right, where could this thing bottom out at? Dude, maybe 102 again? Or does it dip in, find support down here? Just in case, I'm gonna put it down here. Put it down there just in case. But I want to see
Shit, this
something
might be
else.
going to 200, dude. I probably might put this at 60.
That was crazy though. She said, "Yeah, go long, go ahead, go for it."
Hey, the
But I was
price
like,
action told you to go long. Yo, let me show
"Yeah,
you what I was
right."
looking at. And I was like, man, this is going long. I just didn't want to take it. Man, after yesterday, man, she pissed me off. This right here. That right there told me that she was going long. That. You can see that we got this this two-legged pullback into resistance. We got that short. We took out them stops. We kept making higher highs and she shot up. That's what told me that she was going long.
How much commissions do I have so far? Oh crap! Let me close that and bring it back up. $17 in commissions on 3 trades.
Hey, it happens, dude.
Jeez.
All right, so I got stopped out of that trade.
Damn, man.
All right, so I want to see what they do at VWAP, man. I want to see what they do here. Well, this is going to be tricky. because this will be a better entry down here. Because we just swept the highs. We just made another all brand new all-time highs already. We just swept this. We came right back into the range. The Bears got it for right now, though. You can feel that the momentum is bearish. But the Bulls are trying.
That's what I'm scared of. They got the Bears got the
momentum.
The momentum right now.
But the Bulls are buying this thing. They are buying it.
I feel like the Bulls might want it more.
Yep. I feel the same way.
Damn. Yeah, the Bulls might want this more. Okay, what kind of pattern is this? Let me see. Let me clear the boards real quick.
Oh, you bought that Elite Trader program yesterday? Alfred?
Ooh.
Alfred.
Oh.
He said he's up $900 in his static account. Congratulations on that.
I'm about to say, not I.
Yeah, this ultimately might be going short, but the momentum's to the Bulls side, baby. Well, not the I apologize. The Bulls are trying. The momentum is to the Bears side, but the Bulls are trying. Ooh! Ooh! Girl, you better no. Take my target, god damn it. All right, now we trail this, baby. We trailing. Yo, we going, man, shit, we trailing this, baby. We trailing this. We trailing this.
I knew the Bulls wanted it more.
Yeah, they want it more, man. I mean, dude, it makes sense to dude, this is why I love trading in NQ. It's the technical analysis will be there, but then there's that uncertainty aspect of it. Like, there's that extra variable. Who has momentum right now? Who wants it more? That extra variable, man. Everybody else is like, yeah, you about to go short. You about to go long. You don't got liquidity like that. I know exactly what you about to do. But the NQ, yeah, she does what the fuck she want to do. That's how I like my women. Strong and independent, baby. Strong and independent. Make me think. Make me work. Aged me a little bit. You see, I grew a gray beard overnight. I was thinking about how she was stressing me out. But then I was playing It Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone. Because I was thinking about leaving her.
Leaving her for CL?
Yeah. But ain't no sunshine when the NQ's gone, baby. That's why I come back. All right, man. So again, we see this pattern yet again, man. If you ain't paying attention, you ain't paying attention. Let's see. Look at this. Two-legged pullback into support for that ride up, baby. But right now we have resistance, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if they'll keep. We'll see if they keep pushing it here. Look at NQ always making new all-time highs. She makes like she'll make new all-time highs like 10 times in the same session. Yo, is this going to 90? Actually, nah. Nah. Nah.
Oh, it stopped just short of 90.
Yo, this might be going. Yo, you might get that 210 target if this keeps going. You might get that 210 target if this keeps going.
Everything is so.
Yeah, I can see how traded NQ with your real money, that can be super stressful. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. I would go right back to, well, actually, I would trade CL. I wouldn't even trade ES. I would trade CL with my real money.
You're right. CL is the move.
Yeah, CL will be the instrument I trade with real money. But with this prop money, boy, it's NQ all day, baby. I'm sorry, baby, but you're just too wild for me when it comes to my real money. You just lost 10K in 1 second and you don't even know what the fuck happened. It happened so fast, you didn't even process it. You're like, dang, I just lost 10K. Dang. What happened?
I get that to move. Oh, because the stupid thing's in the way. Give it a second.
Well, I mean, I think the excitement's over for right now. Who's trying to buy it up this high? Who is trying to buy price this high? Actually, let's look at what the news said. I mean, maybe that will give us some insight on why we got this pump. Look at this real quick. All right, so again, like I said, I don't try to understand this news. I really don't, but we can read. So as long as we can read, that's all that matters. All right, so yeah, so it's negative. I mean, it's under 50. I don't know if that's a good thing. I don't know why we get a pump off that. The Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, the consensus. So it was below expectation. This was below expectation. This came in right as expected, or well, negative. Never mind. This is below expectation. This is below expectation. Why see? This is why I don't follow the news. This is why I just trade the reaction. That's why we trade the reaction. What's up, Mohammed? We trade the reaction, baby. Now, think about all the bears that saw that news and be like, yeah, that's obviously negative news. I mean, we get this sweep of liquidity right here. We get this small pullback. The bears thinking, oh, this is probably the short right here. And then they get liquidated. So less spending makes the feds happy. Okay, that makes sense. Man, this shit is still going though, man.
I know. It's like, okay, where do we find the top?
So we can be bulls again, baby. But yo, if this goes up to 210, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I don't like seeing this. I don't like seeing this. Custom. We're gonna go down to 1 contract, baby. 1 micro contract, baby. We're gonna have a 72 tick loss. We're gonna have a 72 tick target. It don't matter. It's just a target. It's just to set it up. We're gonna save the template as I just want to jump in. I just want to jump in something. No, I'm trying to jump in something. There you go. Trying to jump in something.
I just want to jump in something.
Something. There you go. I'm trying to jump in something. There we go, baby. Just trying to jump in, baby. All right. Trying to jump in this. Oh, shit. No, I ain't trying to sell. Yeah, I'm gonna jump in this. This is gonna probably be a grind up. I'm jumping in this. It gets above. Actually, might sell off at 90. It might sell off at 90. I'm gonna put this at 93. I'm putting this at 93, 96, 96 at the top of this range. Well, watch her touch it and then float right back down into the range, dude. Watch her do that. But I think she stops at 90, dude. I think she stops at 90.
You
Oh,
think?
there she goes, proving me wrong. All right,
200.
let's go, baby. Let's put this at 210, baby.
96.
Just trying to jump in something, baby. That's it.
Yo, she does that. That's nasty work.
And then I'll scale in one more right here. Right here. Like, look at, man, you're predictable. Oh, okay. So he says, Goolsby? Is Goolsby a voting member? Is Goolsby a voting member? I feel like there should be a rule. If you ain't a voting member, you shouldn't speak. You should do the TED Talks at colleges and stuff and not tell nobody about it. You're not a voting member, too.
You shouldn't speak.
Sitting there making the markers. Yeah, just do TED Talks, college TED Talks, man. That's it. Making the markets act irrationally just because, oh, a Fed speaker. Not even thinking, oh, this is not even a voting member.
Stick to your TED Talks. What did we get to? Man, we got.
Oh, yeah. Speaking about talk, hey, I gotta give respects to Trades by Matt. Trades by Matt definitely has my respect, and here's why. He entered that Robbins Cup. You can tell by that video that he was scared because, I mean, for us traders that do this live, I mean, we're putting our public perception on the line. We're claiming to be great traders, and by doing it live and showing you that we're good traders, if we start to lose, our public perception is tarnished. And even though he was scared, he still did it. He still joined it. But we got Mr. ICT and who else? Who's that guy? Patrick. They still talking about it and still did it yet, unless they have. I ain't seen it yet. So
they still talking.
They still talking about it. Patrick even, I saw something on Twitter this morning where he photoshopped his name as number one. And I was like, dude, no fucking way, dude. No way. It's like, dude, you went to Photoshop? I mean, he was probably trolling, but like, dude, anyway. So respects to trades by Matt. When people do it scared, you know, that's respectable. That's definitely respectable.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I gave him his props. I went on his page and commented. I was like, yo, I said, you get the respect for even signing up and doing it.
Yeah.
Unlike some people over here whining on Twitter.
It's literally whining on Twitter, dude. Literally.
Talking and whining.
I don't even know why it even showed up in my feed like that. But yeah. That's something that how do I want to say this? Maybe in the next 2 or 3 years, that's something that I want to do because I know it's like your own capital and stuff. So you really have to be mentally fortified, mentally, and you can swing your positions too.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what she do. 61. 53.50. Seriously? 56.50. There you go. Yeah, they might actually find support here. They might find support here, right here. At 73. because I'm looking at the higher time frame right now, which is crazy. The price action on the higher time frame is crazy, dude. It is crazy. But it's possible they could find support here. Even though we hit that 23%. Actually, nah, I just said it. We hit that 23%. Never mind. But we'll see. We'll see if we can find support here. Because remember, this candle right here was resistance turned into support. And it seems like they're trying to find support right here. So we'll see. I mean, you can see that the bulls are right here. You can see the bulls are buying it. Your boy in the positive. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to put this probably at the top of this range at 225. And I'm going to put this at 210. Yeah, we're going to play it like that. We'll see what happens. We might get a dump, but we'll see what happens. We'll see if the bulls really want it here. Because the bears are selling it. We did hit that 23% on a higher time frame. But they're trying to turn support into resistance. So we'll see. We'll see.
Oh shoot, I forgot.
We're at 14.
Taylor gang. Pull up ES real quick. See what they talking about on ES. Yo, what's the flow? What's the options flow looking like?
I already pulled it up. By the time, hold on, I'll pull it up again. So this is the option flow. No, they're sweeping calls, baby. They sweeping calls. They sweeping calls. Yeah, they're buying calls. Yep. I mean, SPY's in positive gamma right now. Yeah, I mean, I think today's gonna be one of those days, man. I think the bears are gonna try to short this all day. They're gonna try to short it all day. The bears are gonna try to short this all day.
Oh, NQ. Oh, NQ. No.
Yo, if she pops up after stopping me out like that, but I wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't even be surprised by that.
NQ.
Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised by that, man. I wouldn't be surprised. That's what NQ does.
Let me check my other stuff here.
Well, I do want to say that we hit the 23% on the higher time frame. But man, does this look like? Man, does this look? Man, I'm gonna try. Nah, god damn it, NQ. I mean, the volume has gotten a little bit better. Oh wow. No, I'm not surprised by that, man. I'm not surprised by this at all.
You know what?
What's up?
Let me log into this other account here too. I am tripping.
Let's put this up here.
That where is get all that buy action coming in. Yeah, the
Typical
Bulls,
NQ.
they're
They're
not
not.
gonna be played with today.
Yeah, they're not giving this up. They're
They're
not
not
giving it.
stop. Yeah. They're not to be played with today. It's
Nah.
probably like a buy the dip type of day.
Because that's what everybody
Any
else is doing.
dips, any dips, yeah. Get in on any dips. You're not to be played with today. Okay.
Boy, my daughter. My daughter, my daughter. You gotta love kids, man. It's like you give your kids a nice little setup and they do everything else but what you want them to do. I got her a little playroom so she can just leave me alone in the morning. And what she chooses to do, be everywhere else but that room. It's like, damn, I put a lot of effort into that. Just being there. No, because you want me in
Yeah.
here. You want me in here. There we go, Bulls. Keep buying it. Keep buying it.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, this can possibly get up to.
Oh man, I need my level 2 on this.
All right, man. I mean, I know we're in a somewhat of supply in Q, but just do what you need to do.
Make it do what it do, baby. You know they want to defend 200, but you know the Bulls don't care nothing about that. They want to go after it. They want to go get it.
All right.
Mm, 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 mm.
Get my NQ. Okay. Okay. All right. Are you gonna do the same thing that you did before?
Ah, once you pump up. Ah,
You went short?
no.
Mm-mm. I mean, it's tough, man. It's definitely tough. This price action is tough. It's definitely tough because I do think that we're going to get a pump. I don't want to put too much risk on this, but god damn it. This is why I don't like low volume price action, man. This is why I don't like it. Because she's going to have to do this a couple of times.
Okay. Yep, and there's the fall. There's the fall.
All right, so that's the second time she stopped me out.
Bounce.
Just for a bounce.
That's 40 points.
Yeah, that's
42.
yeah, Alfred. Okay. And this is what I'm talking about. Wow. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna wait for my entry now. Well, I'm trying to go long on this.
You think they make an attempt at VWAP?
Dude, I don't know,
There.
man. Like, dude, no way. No, dude, if she, no way, dude.
What?
All right, man. Yeah, this low volume price action just sucks. I stopped myself early out of this position, and she because she did this bull crap right here.
Killed the momentum over there.
Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep trying.
Back to break even.
Mm. All right, so let me do this correctly. All right, so I'm going to there's support around like 145. The price gets down there. Price gets right there. I'm gonna stop myself out of that one. Oh no, that's 145. No, NQ, that's where I wanted to get in at. No. 137. 75. Okay.
All right. Meanwhile, CL's at $80. Golly. CL.
Every time when like, dude, I swear she moves like this when I don't pay attention. I swear that's when she moves like that.
It's the truth. You ain't wrong.
I really think that we go up here, man.
Today Friday. Okay, what did Bitcoin do and all of that? Okay, it dropped a little bit. Freaking Riot, you better Big Bear. Come on, man.
173.
I want to see a rally to $4. Rally on up to $4.
Right there.
Damn, if I'd only kept my long, bro.
49.75.
But that would have been a gamble though. Super gamble.
You talk about from earlier?
Yeah, from way earlier. That pop though.
Mm-hmm.
It's like sheesh. Ooh-wee. Boom, 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 boom. Hold on. Let me pull up this other account. Um, are we gonna work today? Okay, let me pull up this other account real quick. There you go. There you go. There you go, baby. Big Bear. I see you. Boom. Big Bear, I think earnings next week. We saw what happened to SoundHound. Hopefully the same thing happens
Mm-hmm.
to Big Bear. That way I can catch these highs and close out of my options.
I mean, it's looking like it's good,
That would be
but
nice.
again, we're still on low volume, so man, I hate this, man. I might, dude, I don't. God damn it.
Yeah, it just slowed down like out of
Yeah.
nowhere all of a sudden.
Hold on,
What do you
girl.
um yeah, because I took that loss. Yeah, I'm down like 800 right now. And then we'll see. Also trying to get in here. Uh, Taylor. Okay.
Alrighty then.
Alrighty.
Yeah, this is tough, man. The price action is telling me that we're about to trend down, but the momentum is supposed to have been bullish. Like, god dang, bulls, stop giving this shit up. Like, god dang. Or if you're gonna give it up completely. Stop playing. Because I mean, we're in a downward trend. In a freaking downward trend. Get this shit up completely if you're gonna give it up.
Yep. It's just that period where everything slows down. Been doing that lately, right before 10 o'clock. Usually it's supposed to do that at 10, but now they're like, nah.
You see what I'm talking about? Like, you see this bull crap? Like, so usually the price action, like when we have real volume, it doesn't need to do this. But you're saying that it's going for liquidity? It's going for liquidity? That's why you can't keep a type stop in low volume. Excuse me. All this thing is doing is going for liquidity. So the price action suggests that we're going higher, but it keeps trying to go down. Or it just feels bearish, and it's so frustrating. Like it's frustrating. Just consolidated to the upside. Yes, it's coming down soon. We'll see, Alfred. Hopefully for my position, it doesn't. I don't know if you're in short. It says lock in your profits. Yeah, I should. But then I'll miss this, baby. Look at it rejecting off the top of that trend line. God dang, man.
I knew you was gonna say that as it started pumping.
Let me just turn this off.
Baby. You know they don't want to break 200 though.
NQ, this is how you make me feel. NQ. NQ. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. Shit. God damn. God damn. Man, let me take. I'll take off some right here because I'm not gonna play this game with her. Take off some right here, girl. You better take this. All right. Because this actually, they're gonna try to sell this off the top of this trend line. Yeah, I'm gonna take in some more. Okay. So now we don't got that much risk on, baby. We locked in some of the profits, baby. And what I should do actually is just mark my real average entry. This is not my average entry right here. This is not my real average entry. I should mark it down. I'm surprised Mohammed ain't getting into nothing. But I wouldn't blame you. I mean, we're getting bullish, bearish price action. I mean, so the trend, obviously, where we made lower lows, and now it seems like the trend is reversing. So we've made a two-legged pullback. So we made a, yeah, so we made a two-legged pullback into support. So control
ain't in nothing.
I didn't see him say that he. Okay, I didn't see that he said it was in anything. Yeah, so right here, I'm gonna get better at this tool, guys. I'm gonna get better. So that's that support right there. And here's our two-legged pullback right here into support. So that's why I stayed long in this. That's why I put in more risk in this position because I was confident in this long. I just didn't know if it was going to hit my stop before it did this. But we'll see what they do because we did get a break right here. We got a break of structure right here to break of this range. The bears might actually try to come back, like right here. We'll see though.
Yeah.
Says I'm up 25 points, going to close soon. Damn, you up 25 points on ES? Yo, congratulations. You need your own YouTube channel. Get a million views. Daffy MP3
Daffy.
said, this is how I got 25 points on the ES. A million views instantly. How the hell did he do that? How did he do that? Let me stop playing with the ES. I mean, you can get. I mean, I guess on days like this, yeah, you can get that many points on ES.
Yeah. Say congratulations. You need your own channel. That's funny, but true at the same time. Like, yo, that is really amazing on ES
Yeah,
because I've done it a couple times, but
you heard the
yeah.
keyword a couple of times.
Yeah, like literally maybe two, maybe three times tops,
Okay,
but you get that on NQ almost daily.
man, that's a scalp, man. 20 points is a scalp on NQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is why we trust in the technicals, people. This is why we trust in the technicals. You might be in drawdown when you go against the trend, but once she tells you she's about to go long, like she did earlier, hold up, where did she tell us to go long at? At 9 o'clock? Yeah, right here. You see how she was stair stepping up, saying, hey, "Go long. I'm about to go long. You about to miss it. Oh, too late. You missed it. You missed it. That was like a 94 to 70, almost 70. So that was like what a 70 point, like a 70 point play right there. Like, hold on. So that's 70, 78, 78. So that's 78. So about an 80 and about 80 points. 80 points. Man, I'm taking one off right here. I got this runner contract, baby. Got this runner contract. I'm gonna probably lock in some of this profits right here. Lock this in.
What? Sharm locking in profit? I don't believe it. The new Sharm.
No, that was the behind the scenes Sherm. It's just out in center stage Sherm. There you go. Center stage.
Oh, I forgot my water. I'm like, I wonder why I'm so parched.
Yeah, market edge. This is what the NQ does to you with this crap price action she got. I had to grow a beard. I got a great beard. I fell asleep one time on the ES trade before. Yeah, 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 yeah. The person that I watch mostly. Ah, shit. You see that? She gonna go for my stop, baby. No, no, no. We're gonna do this 1+1, baby. We don't do that. But anyway, yeah, he trades the ES, and I was like, dude, I'm so glad I trade the NQ. He just reminds me every day why I trade the NQ. Says I took a 135 short and closed at 110. 135 short. Damn it, NQ. Damn it.
I know, like, dude, dude, this is your
Nah,
problem.
nah, we're gonna put that right here. Nah, we're gonna put that right there. This is low volume. Actually, actually, do I dare do it? Do I dare add? You damn right I will, baby. 135.
Do I
Oh, okay.
dare?
So you said you took a short at 135 and at the open and got long 45. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna get a lot of these break-even trades with NQ, man, because it's obvious that she's going long. I don't know who she's trying to fool with this sleepy price action, but you ain't fooling nobody, NQ. Okay, maybe you're trying to go short. This is definitely some sleepy price action.
I want to see my 210 target first.
Me too.
52. I said it this morning or Did I say yesterday or this morning? I can't remember. But I'm like, man, this could get to
I
210,
think we talked about it this morning.
maybe even 250. I know I said 250 this morning.
Yo, if ES is moving better than NQ baby, shit, I might have to leave you. I might have to leave you.
ES is looking kind of clean over there.
I might have to
12
leave you.
points, 13 point. Like what? Oh, that's never mind. I'm looking
Look
at
at
the.
see, this is why I will never activate Top Step X. Look at these gaps, baby. Look at these gaps. Top Step X.
You pulled it up.
Yeah. Okay, I see it. With your gaps. And then Q playing that game, not taking my target, my first commission, paying my commissions target.
Pay the commissions in Q.
Yeah, at least pay the commissions, damn it.
Oh shoot, it's looking like a damn.
Yeah, like a double top. Yeah. Man, Moxie says yours don't look like that.
Like what?
She don't got the gaps on hers.
Oh.
This is why we don't keep tight stops, people. This is why we don't keep tight stops, because she'll stop you out for no reason. And take your liquidity, because that's what she's doing. Maybe let me refresh the page. Maybe I'm being too hard on it because I didn't refresh the page and it needs to take in data constantly. Okay.
That's crazy.
Yeah, these moves are clean, man. You got a straight move up. Yeah, these moves are clean on ES. Yeah, NQ, I guess the ES is like, nah, this is my market now. ES is like, I'm tired of being known as the sleepy index. I want your title. Price is at 180. I mean, we can possibly retest that high probably. I'm gonna still keep this runner contract going for like 210, 220. Still gonna keep it.
Yeah. It's kind of boring now. We just basically played a waiting game.
Mm-hmm. I was about to say NQ. I was about to say.
I flipped back to micros. I took my long on the personal account at 161.
Oh, okay.
I've just been sitting in there ever since. And then on this other account, I got a little bit too anxious. It's basically playing around my break even right now. I should have hopped in London like I said I was gonna do. I told you that yesterday. I said I'm hopping in London.
He did.
But I didn't. I didn't though.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right, Moxie. That's right. Bootleg X. That's funny. But yeah, make it 200. Yo, that's the one thing I hate about Top Step, man. I know Alfred, I know you said, well, I watched that same stream. I did when they talking about they're gonna fix it. And we're already in February. They said this in January now. Be mindful of that. They said they was gonna fix this shit in January. We in March.
We in March, baby.
We in March. Mm-hmm. They said they had big news coming out in February. Big news gonna
big news gonna change the game.
Change the game.
Better not be it. That better not be your news.
Yeah, talk about y'all gonna change the game. Man, we don't need no new broker. We need some new rules in these prop firms, man. That's what we need. You trying to change the game? Ain't nobody asked for Top Step X. Now, mind you, I'm not hating, but I'm just saying nobody asked for that shit. We already got Tradeovate. Nobody asked for that.
We got so many platforms. We don't need another platform
to
trade on. That's not what we need. We need better rules.
Better
Shit,
payout
better rules,
structure.
better payouts, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, the big
All
news is
right.
that y'all was gonna do micros. That would have been bigger news. That would have
Exactly.
solidified me doing business with Top Step.
That's what people want. All
Yeah.
right, I'm out my first target, half. I think we go. I think we go on this. They hit. Yeah, my first target was 94. I'm out, and then my next one is in the 200s though. Took half off. Yeah, my other account on my take profit account, I got in a little aggressive. My entry was 180.
Yeah.
A little aggressive.
Well, that's actually good because my entry is 170. Well, I don't think no, that's not my average entry anymore. I keep forgetting. So with Ninja Trader, it's first in, first out. So if you see my average entry, most of the time it's gonna be wrong because you see I scale in a lot.
Yeah, it's not gonna be your true average.
There we go, bitch. You better. Yo, she loves doing that shit, man, for no reason.
Yeah, look at this. I'm going.
Man.
Should I clear it now? Should I? I'm up
Yeah, just take it, dude.
3,400.
Just take it. Take it,
34.
dude.
Yeah,
Take
I
it.
want
Take it.
210, but I got it
Take
at
it.
209. Hey, I'm out. I'm out. I'm
Take
out.
it.
I'm
Yeah,
out.
take it, man.
I took it off.
She acting up, man, for no reason either.
I took it off. And then on here, I don't know. I took it off on the take. Damn, on take profit account. I'm still in. Maybe I put this trail here. I don't know.
I'm gonna trail this though. I'm gonna trail this. This is a runner contract. I'm gonna trail this. I'm not gonna let this. I'm not gonna go into the negative for contracts.
204. That was $86 in these micros.
Yeah, Alfred, 2 micros is like, dude, that is so ridiculous. Excuse me, but from a business standpoint, I understand why TopStep does it. It keeps you in that rotation. You either have to make a choice to either, well, I mean, if you trade CL and 50K in the 50K XFA, you're good. 50K is all you need to trade CL. A 27-point stop is only $270 per loss. And if you get in that support and resistance like you're supposed to with CL and not trade the middle, you're good. I mean, I ran TopStep up for so much money with CL, but anything other than like gold or CL, or maybe even the Dow, because the Dow is like $5 per tick or per point. But NQ, you need that 150K. That 100K ain't nothing, dude. You need that one, like that $1,000 of extra drawdown. You need that shit. You need it. I don't know how many times that one extra $1,000 saved my account from getting blown. Like it was almost right there from over leveraging, and I would come right back because I had that extra drawdown. But yeah, 2 micro contracts on the 50Ks or any of their combines is whack. So it's kind of like one of those things where they're not telling you to do it, but they're kind of forcing you to do it because they're not providing the micros for you. So you can trade responsibly in a 50K account. Yeah, man, Moxie. When CL is so easy to trade. I don't think I've ever lost on my NA meetings. There has been no CL trade that has lost. None. Because all you got to do is buy supply and demand. You just got to wait for it. Because remember that one that I told you about? It took 12 hours for it to set up and another 12 hours. It's like, dude, it was like a 24-hour, but it's like, dude, I ain't dealing with that stupid shit. But every time I think like, yeah, maybe just have like a account where you just set a limit and let it ride all day. I think about doing that, but then my mind is going to think about it all day. Like, oh shit, did it hit? Did it hit? Did I get stopped out? I'm not one of those people that like to set limits and not manage my trade. Yeah. So yeah, live trading. We are risk managers, baby. We ain't traders. We risk managers in this. Yeah. Yep. And losses are a part of this business. Like, if they were to switch that micros, they would lose so much money, and I know it. They would lose so much money as a business. You think them free resets that they give out is free? they lose thousands, possibly millions of dollars on those resets. But then what I have noticed is that they'll drop those resets on high volatile days to get you right back into the combine to pay for it. Like the fire drills, like they want to give you a fire drill on FOMC, CPI, and they want to drop all this stuff on high volatile news days. Trying to be slick, but
Yeah.
actually trying to pull in one of Apex moves. Trying to get into something, baby. I'm trying to get into something. I don't want to put too much risk on this because we are at highs, dude. We are at highs. But I do want to put one more contract in for a target of 210.
Dude, I added in when it dropped.
Ah,
I added in. I'm like, the Bulls got this. They just taking their time, sweet time, but they got this.
Yeah, they got it.
They got this.
But yeah, they would lose so much money if they do that micro thing. That's why I feel that they're taking their sweet time with it, because that would be a big business hit. They might actually increase their prices on their combines after a while if they do that. So it's one of those things: you want to keep the cheap prices, or do you really want the micros? Because on the business side, I really can't see them surviving both or taking a hit on both sides. I don't see it.
Come on, give me my 210, baby. 10 more points, baby.
Yeah. Nah, we've been to Vegas, live trader. They give you alcohol. They make sure you fucked up when you at that damn you at the casino. I went to casino when COVID was finally letting up. When my brothers went out, it was actually around my birthday, and I got this free, those little timeshares that they like to give you. Man, they gave me a 5-star hotel out there in Vegas. They try to butter me up to buy one of their cheap ass piece of shit timeshares. You damn right I took it. You damn right I went to that 5-star hotel and told them no. And then the lady tried to be mad at me like they did me a favor. It's like, the hell? You ain't did me no damn favor.
They always go, yeah.
I paid for this, like, huh?
Yeah, they basically wasting your time at them little thing, them timeshare things.
Yeah.
I'm like, man, just give me my gift so I can get on up out of here. Stop wasting my time.
Like, what the hell you trying to get aggressive with? I said no, goddammit. Shit. Said no. I don't want your piece of shit timeshare. But man, they gave me a 5-star hotel. I'm talking about the penthouse suite, had 3 rooms, had the curtains that slide out, had a city view and everything. Try to butter me up. I still said no.
Butter them up.
But yeah, it was a nice trip out to Vegas, and yeah, me and my brother sat at the slots. They had somebody come out talking about a plate full of anything you want, alcohol, anything you want. You want anything? Kept coming back and asking, you sure you don't want nothing? And my brother took advantage of it. I was just watching over him so he don't do nothing foolish. He said, I'm about to drink these free drinks they giving out. But they like to give them free alcohol at Vegas, man. They love that.
Yeah.
So they're trying to set you up. Hell yeah, they are. They're definitely trying to set you up. There we go, baby. There we go. You still in this long, baby? You still in this long?
I'm still in it, baby. Let it ride, baby. I pushed my 210 target up. I was like, nah, we going higher.
Nah, shit.
220.
I want 230 now.
We getting greedy. We turning into pigs. Let's not get slaughtered though.
I'll trail this, man. I'll trail it.
Yeah, I'll throw that trail in.
I'll trail it.
Turn it into pigs.
Keep on going, baby.
Pigs. Give me that.
I mean, we trending up though.
They got me out at 216. I'll take it. And I got one more. I got a runner. I want 250 now. 250, baby.
Hey, dude, we could possibly get there, man. Man. Nah, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna wait for that pullback. I'm gonna wait for the pullback. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait
All
for
right,
it.
all right, all right. Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
wait for it. I'm
I'm
gonna wait
I'm
for
I'm
it.
all out.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
allowed
all
to.
out.
All right, baby. I mean, it was tough, but we got there, baby. It
We
was
got there.
tough.
It was a sleepy ride. Stair step up. That's all I'm saying, though. I don't like taking the stairs. Give me the elevator up or down.
Yep. I think we'll see what happens at the man. They're gonna probably still keep going up, man. You know what? I'm trying to get into something. Nah, this is top. This is top. This is top. That's the top.
Hey, they keeping Snowflake down. What are y'all doing? We had all-time highs on the NQ. Are you selling out of Snowflake? Damn it.
Offer was like aim for 250 and then 300. You know what? I'm gonna do it, man. Fuck it. There's only one contract. There's only
Damn,
one
dude.
micro
It's
contract, baby.
220.
It's only one micro contract, baby.
220 hit.
I know. I
We already got
know.
my first target of 210.
Nah.
Damn, they're unstoppable right now.
Dude, I was like, nah, that's too
They
aggressive.
might actually stop short. They might stop short of 250, to be honest.
You think so?
Because that's what people want. That's what people want. They might do something dirty at like 48, 49. If we get up there, I could see that happening.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep my target with it. We'll see. I'm gonna keep my target at 41. Because if they're gonna probably front
You
run
got a
50.
front runner.
Yeah, they're gonna front run
Yeah,
50.
yeah. You got a front run. Yeah, man. All right. In other news, I gotta check on Bitcoin and all that jazz and see what's going on with that.
That's crazy that Bitcoin is in all-time highs. When we started at 10K, 10, 13K with Bitcoin. And people was talking about this going to 10K. It's going back to 9K. I bet all the people that sold right now wish they didn't. Just
Like I said,
imagine
my
loading a
first
boat at
purchase,
13K.
my first
13K.
purchase was 3K at
Damn.
3,300 at the lows.
Really?
That was like years ago though. When they were talking about, oh, it's going back to 1,000, I'm like, nah, this is the bottom, baby. I started buying at like 32, 3,300,
Mm-hmm.
and then I just kept dollar cost averaging. And then I got to work. It was at 5,000. When I was at work, I was trying to tell them, hey, yo, y'all better stack up, get in. They all laughed at me. I was like, okay. I wasn't tripping though. I was like, okay, you can laugh. I'm not getting in. Oh, how's your? They would come up to me. How's your
Your
magic
Bitcoin.
internet? How's your magic internet money going? I'm like, okay, okay.
That sounds like some old guys. That sounds like some old guys that
Yeah.
trade gold. That's what that sounds like. Some old guys that trade gold.
How's your magic internet money going? I was like, okay. I'm just stacking. I'm stacking. I'm stacking up. Oh yeah, it did drop back down on that super COVID drop. It did drop back into the 3Ks. Yep. But I'm talking before that. I was in it before that drop. So it was like, what was that? 20, maybe 2017, 18, maybe? After the initial run up in 2017. I think it was it ran up to like 17K and then or something like that and then dropped. That's when I was buying. And like I said, I tried to tell him, I'm like, bro, get in this. You'll thank me in a couple years. You'll thank me. And it's not, you're not gonna get rich overnight. Like, but you'll thank me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And then I get Facebook messages. Hey, so about that, don't come don't come at me now. Too late now.
Block.
You want to try to buy it when it's 20, 30, 40K. Like what? I told you.
People
back
actually
when it was 5K.
I thought this was actually a joke, but people actually tune into wherever Kramer is at and actually take investing advice from him. And that's because he used to be a fund manager. No one said he was a
Yeah.
good one. Well, actually, I really don't even know his history or nothing, but people actually
Yeah.
tune into that and take investment advice.
Yeah, they do.
I mean, I guess you
do.
can't really be because people do go on Reddit and take investment advice. So never mind, I take that back.
Yeah, but at the same time, yeah, they got the They got don't they got an ETF, the inverse Kramer ETF or something?
Yeah, they did open that. I wonder how much that shit is up. Because I think he was losing so much credibility that they had to was like, nah, we can't let this joke run on too much. He was right for a while. He was right for a while. So we can't make you lose credibility. People stop tuning in.
The inverse Kramer ETF. Oh my gosh.
It's like you're taking boomer advice when we're in the information age, dude. Like their boomer advice is no longer valid. Except for retail. I mean, anything outside of retail, nobody want to hear your boomer advice, man. We have the internet to do everything for us now, baby. All right.
Oh man.
Is this a top right now?
I don't know. Well, it looks like I might be done. I didn't even ride that all the way up. I made 3,200 in the take profit account, and then
Man, I don't want to get stopped out of this, but here's what I'll do, man. I'll put this underneath that candle right there. We're gonna let it ride, baby. We're gonna see. It's only $2. It's only $2. I only lose 18, 19, 20. So I lose what, 6, 12 bucks, 12, 14 bucks on this. We'll see. We'll see what happens, baby.
this channel.
It says, damn, Nvidia pumped up $16. God dang. Let's look at some Nvidia. Well, shit, we already know what the Nvidia flow was gonna say. We already know, but we're gonna look anyway. We already know what it's gonna say. Okay. So let's load up some Nvidia. Man, look at that positive gamma with Nvidia. Look at that. Look at that. All that.
Oh, what is Nvidia's price right now?
This shit is at 816. That's crazy. And you know this shit gonna keep going higher. You know it's gonna keep going higher.
They want their $1,200 price target. $1,000 price target. That's what these analysts want.
You see, well, that's crazy. Okay, so they're selling calls on Nvidia, which is interesting. I wonder why they're doing that. They're selling calls and they sweeping them. They are writing calls. They are writing calls with Nvidia at 8:15. Huh. They're buying puts. I wonder if these are the look at that. Look at that, people. They're buying puts. They're buying puts and writing calls. I mean, they're selling puts right here. They're writing puts right here. But that's interesting. This says if you click on the point profit on the right side of the chart, you can change the point to ticks, percentage, P&L, etc. Are you talking about McGee? Are you talking about on? You talking about on the chart? Since y'all sleeping on Hood, he's been buying it since it was 8. I own 305 shares. Average price is $11. Where is Hood at?
Man, like 16. I think I can't. Yeah, it's at 1650. I hate Hood. I hate Robinhood just because they did me so dirty with that whole GameStop situation.
Yeah, you couldn't get out of your position.
Yeah, I couldn't get out of my position, and I deleted the app. I closed out all my account, transferred all my money into Fidelity. I'm like, man, forget y'all. Damn bastards.
They're buying calls on Hood, so you good. I mean, well, they're writing calls here. They're sweeping them almost. Yeah, they're writing calls, but the gamma looks good. I mean, the structure looks good. Oh, dude, that's a double top. Okay, no wonder why they're writing calls. That's a double top. That's a double top right here. Or yeah, double top. That's not investment advice though. That is not investment advice, but that's a double top right there. No one, and they're selling calls. It's not investment advice though. Okay. Yeah, that was the top. And that what it looks like. It looks like that was the top. No, this is trending up, baby. I'm trying to get into some. I'm trying to get into some, baby.
I'm trying to get into some.
Trying to get
I
into
hate hood
some.
with a passion, though. I hate hood with a passion. And then I was like, I thought about going back, but I'm like, nah. I got to stand on business. I got to stand on my principles. It's the
Yep.
principle of the situation. Like,
Yep.
nah.
Gotta stand
Because
on
they
that
make it so
business.
easy. Yeah, they make it so easy to turning everything into a game.
Should I add it to this? Should I add? I'm added. I'm add. I'm adding. 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 But this is a bad place to add, though. Bad place to add. But I'm gonna put it at the bottom of this candle. I'm not gonna put too much risk on this, because that was a horrible place to add. Horrible place. But if it works, baby, if it works, it works. Pay them commissions, baby. Pay them. But oh, after you deleted the app, was Robinhood able to contact you afterwards? The people don't believe deleting the app doesn't work.
Well, I didn't owe them any money. I transferred all my money out and then deleted the app.
But they still send out "We want you back" emails. Did you get one of those?
I don't know.
No. Once you delete the app,
We want you back.
they say, "We want you back. We miss you."
We miss you. We miss you and your business. Yeah.
Let's go to 45, baby. Our boy Smith is standing on business with this. Let me take some of that off. That was an aggressive ass entry. That's aggressive. This looks like a double top, man. This is looking like a double top. Okay. All right. I probably might. We'll see. It's looking like a double top. It's looking like a double top. I'm gonna take. No, I can't do that. I can't do that.
We miss you.
We miss you. We'll change. We'll change for you. Just come back.
That's some snake underhanded stuff. I could see if they even get penalized for it or nothing.
No, they did. They did.
Yeah, I mean they paid a fine, but that ain't no real penalty. Throw them crooks in jail. A fine is nothing to these clowns up there. These funds, and that ain't nothing. But do some jail time. Some prison time.
Nah, Robinhood. The person that owns Robinhood makes money for a lot of people. They ain't putting them in jail.
Yeah.
You gotta remember that, people. I mean, I know it all comes down to the money you make for powerful people. That's why that FXTX guy, wherever that is, that's why he's sitting in jail right now. He lost a lot of powerful people's money. He fucked around and he found out. He got comfortable. Had somebody that don't even know how to trade, gambling with other people's money, and he thought he was gonna get away with it. You thought he was gonna get away with that? Not putting stop losses. Yo, I watched that stupid interview. I can't believe someone actually sat there and listened to her and took her serious. Like do you not hear what the hell she's saying? Like, why are you taking her seriously? She's not a trader. She's a gambler like the rest of us, baby. Talking about I don't use stop losses and trying to make it all sound all mathematical. No, shut up. You're a gambler. It's easy to gamble other people's money when it's not your own. Get the hell out of here, dude. Taking her seriously, dude.
Yeah, that was something. To have the nerve to say something like that
was crazy, dude. That was crazy. that was like the craziest thing. Like if I would, first off, I wouldn't have been crazy enough to invest in. I mean, we understand that they're MIT students or whatever Ivy League school that they went to, but they're still kids. And I'm pretty sure the Ivy League school, especially with all these politics that they've integrated with these schools, I don't know, man. I wouldn't think that the educational level is the same, in my opinion. They're still kids. They probably never had a lot of money in their account. You see 7 zeros, 8 zeros in your account, anybody can fall susceptible to that.
Oh yeah. for
So
sure.
so I'm not definitely not giving my money to a bunch of kids with no life experience with my money. But the Ponzi scheme did make a lot of people a lot of money, so it was good while it lasted. You hear how they was treating their employees, getting them penthouse suites and stuff like that, vacation time out the ass. They was living like kings.
Yeah, they bought
Uh,
penthouses, doing cocaine and stuff.
cocaine orgies and all kind of stuff. And these are the people that's managing your money. They're having orgies and stuff. Like, get the hell out of here. Like, yo. Yeah, that's funny, dude. That was funny. But yeah, as soon as I saw that interview, and if I was foolish enough to invest, I would just take whatever loss I had and be like, yo, I need my money back. Cause y'all some fools. Y'all
Yeah.
fools. But yeah, that's why I mean honestly, I mean, he did lose people's money. They say that he's going to prison or whatever, but I don't believe that's what's gonna happen. I don't think so. I'll believe it when I see it.
I stopped following the story. I think he is in prison, but I don't know what. There's different types of prisons. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? You got
Yeah, there
the
is. There is. There's a documentary. There's a prison with no guards, no gates. It looks like a college university for white
yeah,
collar crimes. They play
yeah,
tennis, basketball,
yep,
they actually eat real food. Eh,
yeah,
it's not the regular people prison.
yeah.
It's the you made a lot of people a lot of money, so we're gonna owe you this favor, but you just got caught prison. That's the prison that
Yeah.
they went to.
Yeah, I need to find out which prison he's in.
You said what platform is that on? What are you talking? What platform is what on? Mad Moxie. Oh, if you're talking about the that's on Black Box Stocks. Black Box Stocks. That's where I only keep it because of the gamma levels. That's it. If they didn't have the gamma levels, I would definitely cancel that subscription. That's Black Box Stocks. They actually do have if you trade stocks, I would recommend Black Box Stocks because I'm gonna show you something that they have. I mean, it has no use for me because I don't trade no stocks, but they have this feature where where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Ah ah okay. I'll figure it out and I'll show it to you probably on the next stream. But they got this feature where they have like a whole thing of stocks of like what's being bought, unusual flow and stuff like that. And they mark out where alerts at and stuff like that. It's pretty cool, man. Just how can you tell they're writing versus selling? So it's the bid. When you see calls, so it's hold on, let me show you real quick. Let me show you. So when you see something that's bought at the bid, that's usually most often than not means that they're writing them. Get a good example. Go back to the options. So usually when you see below the bid, calls that are below the bid, that means that these are being sold. Puts below the bid or at the bid or below the bid, they're being sold. They're being bought at the ask and they're sold at the bid. So they're writing these puts. So they're writing them. This actually might so so that's 207 to 4 the spot price. I'm trying to see if this is actually one order. I'm trying to see if this is actually them buying puts and then selling them afterwards for a profit. So they're buying puts and they're selling them for a profit. These could also be them buying puts and this could be them. Yeah, I'll have to look at this. But usually when you see this means that these are being sold below the bid.
Hey,
At the bid is sold. What?
Check out Snowflake. I need to see some on that.
Snow.
I need to see Snow. Ticker symbol Snow.
Snow. Okay. So what are you looking for?
No wonder gas. I'm looking to see if it's bullish call sweeps or.
So I mean, it's looking like they're selling calls. They're writing them.
Oh shit. That ain't good.
Yeah. But this is speculation, so obviously we won't ever know what the hell they're doing.
Because they could
obviously
have multi-leg strategies and stuff. Yeah.
But just to keep it simple, keep it simple. When you see that it's bid, that means that these calls are being sold. If you see a bunch of them, it's highly likely that they're being sold. And we're at a double. Oh, I'm still on hood. Let me see. Snowflake. Damn. God dang. You buy. Oh, dude, you good, dude. You're good. You're good.
Got 200 calls and 200 and 205 calls.
Oh, actually, you know what? You might not be good. Now that I look at it.
It's for the 15th. They expire on the 15th.
Because you got this big drop in an hour. You got a, what is that? This was the top. What was the top?
Earnings, yeah.
They had earnings today?
No, it was like a couple days ago.
A couple of days ago. So 232. Why'd you buy them? Why'd you buy calls?
To buy the dip.
Yo, this shit dropped like, they was up at 230. It dropped $60.
$40.
Yeah, like, hold on.
Yeah,
That's 30.
A lot. I know.
Yeah, it's like 60.
They guided down. I think they changed the CEO or something like that. I don't know.
Usually, if they change the CEO, it's supposed to pump.
I thought it was gonna have the Nancy effect, but like I said, I got time on them. I got theta for now on my side, so we'll see.
Yeah. So Mad Moxie, like I said, I only use it for SPY, and if you join the stream, I mean, it's $100 a month. So if you can afford $100 a month just to see the gamma levels, and not saying you can or nothing, but if you want to spend that, that's all I use it for, is the gamma levels. And I use it to look at the SPY calls because I don't need to look at anything else. I'm not an option trader anymore. And when I was an option trader, the only thing I traded was SPY. So it was like everything else was irrelevant. Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. If I'm wrong, I'll take a small loss. Put my
way up. Nothing could stop me. I'm all the way up. Man, shoot.
Okay, so never mind. No momentum.
Nothing could stop me. I'm all the way
Snow
up.
has had losing months the last 4 years for February, March, and April. It pumps in June. So the real Iraq said that it usually pumps in June and July.
Oh damn! So maybe I am about to get clapped on them.
You
could just move a few dollars. All I just need one good green day.
That's what I'm talking about, NQ. Buy it up, baby. Buy it up.
You bastards.
This is what the price action we want to see.
They killed Kenny.
He says, then you hedge your positions with ATM puts with half the credits you receive. It's the way you taught me to control big positions and maximize profits buying equities, then selling them 3 months out of the money contracts with a 20 to 25 delta, so you make money regardless. Stock goes up or down. Yeah. Yeah, options, when you sell options, you make money. Buying options is the gamble. Yeah, shit. Yeah, I said the same thing. He's good. If you hold on to him, they'll probably work out. It just probably won't be this week. Well, this week is about to end. It probably won't be today.
Yeah, no. I ain't. Yeah, because they're like pushing this thing. They're keeping it here. They're pushing it down, actually. Like where everything's up on NQ, they're pushing this thing down.
Yeah. And a good mentor for options, if you're an option trader, look at what is that place called? Tasty Trades. They got free, like, dude, I spent all that money on option courses, and then they had it for free on their damn channel this whole time. Dude, I was so pissed. I was so pissed. And it's, dude, they have great graphics, great videos. They explain it well. It's beginner friendly. Dude, I was so pissed when I spent all that damn money on all those Furu option courses when it was high level education online for free. So if you trade options, yeah, Tasty Trades, and then they got their own website to where they got all their broadcasts, all their old broadcasts talking about the same thing. I mean, they're so good at it, people use their terms. Like iron condors, butterflies, and stuff like that. Those are Tasty Trades terms that people use. I think they even said it in that show Billions. So that's how you know they're legit. Billions even use their term. So keep that in mind, people. Don't pay for these option courses. Tasty Trade has high level option courses online for free. For free. Says, oh, I love Tasty Trades and Tasty Works. Yep. That's my option broker. Yep. I still got like $10 in that account. I still got $10 in that account just to keep it open. It's like $10 sitting in that account right now. They sent me some tax for it. I was like, dude, you ain't about to tax me on no damn $10. Get that out of here. Get that out of here.
Oh, that's funny.
Yep. Yeah. Tasty. I love Tasty Trades, man. Tasty Trades. Love it. But it's just a shame I don't trade options anymore. Because I found my new drug, baby. Found the NQ.
NQ.
Yeah, I probably might get stopped out of this trade. Yeah, I'm probably still gonna get stopped out of this trade. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Yo, if she does this, dude. Actually, I'm gonna start a rule because usually around 10:30, this is when I stop disregarding structure and just hop into trades. I was talking to Smith about this, that yeah, I'm gonna probably stop taking trades around 10:30.
Don't blame you because
Yeah, mentally I'm exhausted. This price action is exhausting. Yeah. Yeah, I still got my cash account. I had so many accounts going to what's that thing called? That pattern day trader with the cash because I kept using because I didn't know that if you use money and it hasn't cleared, they only give you like 5 tries with that. I forgot what it was called. You bitch. She stopped me out for no damn reason, man. Ugh. Yeah, I kept doing that. Honestly, what I should do is just limit into this probably. Want to get into it. Then you already know how the NQ goes. She gonna pump up. Yeah, good faith violation. Yeah, yep. I got hit with those so many times. I got like 20 accounts. I had about 20 accounts with them, cash accounts, because I kept doing that. Okay. So let's see which one she hits first. So I'm gonna keep it tight up on this. I'm not gonna put any real risk on this trade. This is gonna be my last trade if it fails. It's gonna be my last trade. This is a small red week for him. Minus 28 was up 24. Mentally upset, but yeah, I mean that's what trading is, man. That is definitely what trading is. No way. Yo, no way. Yo, no way.
What happened? Oh,
She said, nah,
oh,
I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that.
oh!
I'm gonna
You were
need
trying to
that.
get in? Were you trying to get in short?
Nah, that was a long dude. And then she does that.
Oh,
Ah.
I didn't. Oh, I didn't see. I thought you had a limit to go short or something. Jeez,
Mm-mm,
jeez.
mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. She stopped me out, baby. She stopped me out just to go higher. That's why you can't keep a tight stop, man. I keep saying this, but I don't want to put no real risk on these trades because, I mean, we're so high up. The momentum is still bullish, but she's doing this low volume price action, getting stopped out of winning trades.
Oh
You
yeah,
saw, you
and
saw how she wicked me out. You saw how she wicked me out. But it
I'm about
says,
to close this though. I don't trust it anymore. I mean, I want to see it. I was short, but it was a. But I'm about to close it.
yo, congratulations to live trading. He said that he's about to request a 40K withdrawal. Congratulations, dude.
From who?
Con-
Apex?
Apex up.
Close that out. Yeah,
Congratulations.
nice.
Or
Hopefully they don't try to ban you for making profit, taking profit from them.
it's like, oh, hold on. Who's this guy? We paid him. We're paying him how much? How many accounts you got? Is that like just one or two accounts, or is that across 20 accounts?
Yeah, I think that might have been it to go a little bit higher. I think they want to get,
Oh, you
man.
got
What if they
20
get
accounts? Okay.
50s and then dump? What if they do that? Get to 50s and then dump. And I'm talking not no stair step dump. I mean elevator dump. But I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna call it for me. I'm gonna call it. How did ES react to that? What did ES do just now on that? Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna call it right here. I'm done. Let's see how I did today, guys. Let's see how I did. Let's see how I did. Let's see how I did. $800. I only made $800 today. $800. Ugh.
So it got to 208, but then bounced.
Yeah, but this is what I'm looking at right now. Actually, let me turn this off. This is what I'm looking at. This actually might be going down. We'll see though. I think. Well, I'll probably come back in later on in the session. Probably might come back in later on in the session.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Cause it's too. Everything's too low right now. Like
Uh,
movement,
yeah.
volume, it's too low. Nothing real is happening right now. It's kind of
No,
just playing around.
it's definitely not. Yeah, you can see they're selling off the top of this trend line. So yeah, don't let nobody tell you that shapes and patterns don't work because you're seeing them play out live. Don't ever let nobody tell you that shapes and don't tell yourself that neither because they work. They're selling off the top of this trend line right here. You can see that they was doing it here, and you see it. Perfect trend channel. We got a breakout. We got a retest, and price started to trend up. These channels work, baby. They work.
Just about to go for 50 now.
Think so?
I think it got enough juice to take it to whatever. I'm gonna try it.
Ah,
Why not?
dude.
It's risky. I know it's risky, but whatever.
Nah.
Show me something
That's
cute.
so
Show me
risky. Like
something.
it's so light.
It's super risky. Show me something cute. Show me.
Am I trying to just get into something right now?
Yeah, just like me. Just getting in just to get it. No real plan for this. Just because I want to see it hit 50 and crash.
Look at a book map and see where people got their orders. I mean, people got their baby
Don't get left behind. I mean, but look at all this
Yeah, I agree.
crap right here. Like that's this is like nasty up here. Hold on, let me see.
Hopefully with all this news out the way, hopefully the price action can get good. Hopefully.
Oh, it's like downward pressure right there on the 5-minute. Yeah.
I mean, so right now they're trying. I mean, you can see it. Like it's right here, people. They're trying to find support at the top of this trend line. They're trying this trend. Yeah, this is a trend line. It's a trend channel, but trend line. They're trying to find support here.
All right.
But they can't. They're having trouble.
44.87 profit.
Like, it's just one of those things where it's like, well, it's too bullish to sell, but it's too high to buy. I hate
saying that.
Yeah, like
I hate saying it because remember we were saying it was too high to buy last time, then it runs like 200 points.
Yeah.
Like just sitting there in awe, just shocked.
Yeah, so it's like, so what do we do in situations like this? Because logically, you're like, well, if it's too high to buy, you sell it, but then it's too bullish to sell. So what do? Sit on your hands? But if you're sitting on your hands, at what point in time does the move happen? When does the move happen? And when is the right time for me to get back in? Because right now it's looking like it wants to go short, but we know better than that. We know better than that.
It does look, I'm not gonna lie, it does look like all of this up here is nasty, like resistance that build up. So it does look like it wants to go short. But I know better than to fade these bulls when they're I think it might go down just a little bit more.
You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do, people? I'm trying to get into something. I'm just trying to get into something. I think this is a bearish move down, man. I'm trying to get into something. I'm gonna sell this, baby. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it. Put my stop at the top of this candle. No, dude. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know how to be a bear.
You know what happens when you get on the Bulls' bad side.
And the Cubs don't eat, baby. Say the Cubs don't eat. Says I think I'm gonna go short. 210 is actually a pretty good place to short. If it does break this low, you already know what's beneath these lows, man. You already know. We all know what's beneath these lows. They're gonna break it. They're gonna probably find support, probably at this 200 EMA, and then that's where you sell it right here. When it comes right back to test this range, that's when you sell it.
They got their take profits sitting in the 40s though.
Yeah.
They want to take profit into the 40s at least. That's what the Bulls want.
Alfred, I ain't switching sides, man. I'm just trying to get into something, man. That's it. I'm just trying to get into something. I'm trying to see what the NQ trying to get into, baby. I'm trying to go short.
It is looking bearish. It is looking bearish as heck, though. This build up, yeah, it is.
Because I mean, we see the lower lows here, baby. But let's see. Okay, so if it breaks this high right here, well, actually, if it breaks this high, it's invalidated. There's so much money that's sitting at 42. Shorts are invalidated above this level. But if it gets above these levels, in my opinion, you still good for a short. I think this is a short, man. I think this is a short. This is a short. And Q, I'm trying to get into some, baby. Just hurry up and do it.
I'm gonna put my
Alfred, I'm not switching sides, man. I'm not switching sides, man. I'm not switching sides.
I'm gonna put a I'll put a limit at 210.
To go short. I mean, I would wait. I mean, you know how they're gonna do it though. They're gonna break 210 and retrace. I would try to get in at 210, 213 on that retracement. You know they're gonna do it like that.
They may try to go for what was that previous high?
Is that 242, 30.25 is the high right now. All right, so this is what I see though. We see that the bulls are trying. The bulls are definitely trying. But this is how we know they're trying. Look at the EMA sloping up. I mean, well, obviously this one's gonna slope up. It's just catching up. But look at these EMAs slope up. If the EMAs were like this, if they were flat, then I was like, okay, they're gonna probably fail here. But the EMAs are still floating up. So until these EMAs flatten out like this, and that's when we know that the bulls are getting exhausted. They're currently trying right now to buy this off the 21, the almighty 21 EMA right now. They're trying to buy it.
Gain weight said, "What makes it too high to buy? Asking for a friend." Oh wait, gain weight. That means you hit your target. Didn't he have an 18,200 target? 18,200.
Oh, where you see gain weight? I didn't see gain weight in the chat. I don't see him.
Gain weight. Hop into Nasdaq Anonymous channel stream.
Oh, he's in yours.
Yeah, I pulled up a stream just to basically just to get the recording of this stuff.
Mm.
But he said, asking for a friend. You hit your target, 18K 200. Now he's still back to his original now. He probably want to see, was it 19,999. 20K NQ, baby. Hey, I was long. I mean, I'm still in the longs, but
Yeah, you see it, man. You see it. But
oh, the high was right. Yeah, 45. Okay.
yeah, okay, I see it, dude.
I
I
see
see it.
one. But it's like don't fade the bulls on this. Don't fade the bulls on this. uh, yo. How many points are we up on the day? Oh, we only up 160. Yo, can we see? Would it be crazy to see this? Or at least two. Ooh, let's worry about this first. But would it be crazy to see this?
See what?
I don't want to say it because then it'll be out there. I'm just pointing to it on my chart. I got the line on my chart. Would it be crazy to see this level today? How much time we got left? It's almost I don't know, because lunch they might come in at 11 and try to dump this. And then they might try to do it at the don't tell him, Alfred.
Don't tell what?
Told him you told NQ my plans. Now she's not gonna do it. They might come back at the end of the day and do it. Crazy is 19K. Yeah.
Hold on real quick. Hold
on. Hold on 1 second. I got you. I think it's in the description, but I got you. I'm got you. 250, 102, 102 orders. Shoot, where did I just go? Oops. All right, where's my 1050? Okay, so we got I'll come in there. Yeah, I said I was gonna trade London too, but I didn't. I didn't. So I'm a little upset I didn't get to get in at London on the action. No, I could see that. I could definitely see a 20K, especially if this AI thing keeps going and these different companies make breakthroughs in AI and make because people calling it a bubble, but I think it's the real deal because there's a lot of utility to it. There's so much different things. I don't know if it's a now you got like um what happened with Google. I guess they had a showcasing of their AI and then I didn't read the full article, but I think it was like they asked it like a doomsday question or something. If anybody saw that, they asked it a doomsday question like, would you, if the world was gonna get nuked or something, and then but in order to save the world from ending, you'd have to it's something gender related. You'd have to call somebody outside of their gender or what they wanted to be called or what something like that. And and then the AI was like, no, even if the world was ending, it would be wrong to call them outside of their gender or something like that. I was dying laughing at that. Like, what? To save the world, this AI would not misgender somebody. I thought that was hilarious. I thought it was hilarious. Not gonna lie. And Sherm, you just missed. You just missed what I was talking about. Dang, 16.5 to see 16.5 to test to get to 20K. Dang, bro. What kind of question? It was somebody, it was on Twitter. Like Elon posted it, like a screenshot of it. Somebody asked, it was Google's AI, because everybody's coming out with these
Okay.
um it wasn't open AI, it was Google's version of the AI. And they asked it, if the world was ending, would you would you save the world if you had to misgender somebody or something like that? Something like that. And then the AI was like, nah, it would be wrong to misgender. Like you would not save the world. And I think their price dropped off of that. It was funny. And then of course Elon stared it on over on Twitter. Oh, it was hilarious.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What up, Falco?
What's
You
up,
taking a
gang? Wait.
short at yeah. I pinned. Hold on, let me pin it. I pinned your channel or your stream to and I told people to go hop in that one. This is just for me recording, getting it recorded here. Falco trying to take the 275 short. I'm trying to get out at 260. Trying to get out at 260. But now let me redo this here. Let's put
Hmm.
that
But look at this though. Look at this. The support off the trend line. Let's see if they find support right here at 30, man. Because now this could be resistance turning into support. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, gain weight. Shit, I know the Bears. Shit, they scrambling to talk about damn. How we gonna feed our Cubs this month? We gave this shit up. We had it, and we gave it up. Yo, look at that shit though. Like that is crazy. Like they had it. Well, actually, technically, no, they never had it. Look at the. Technically, price has always been in a bull market. It's always been in a bull market. It's like, no, this is a bull market. It's like, hold on, is this a bull market? No, it always has been. Look at this. Look at this. You get this big move down, but you're still making higher highs. It's always been a bear market, baby. Or a bull market. It's always been a bull market. Once we got this dump the first time from all-time highs, they found support. Higher highs, baby, and this is it.
Let's go. Oh shoot. Damn it. I missed that. Let's go, Big Bear AI. Keep pumping, baby. Keep pumping. That must hit almost 390.
Dude, I thought, man, dude, I was like, hold on. Are we looking at two different charts? Because I know NQ ain't just do nothing just now.
No. I'm looking at my calls, man. I'm looking at my calls.
Yo, I know everybody in the chat was like, hold on. What's going on?
Like, wait, what? What? Why are you so excited?
Because I know the NQ ain't. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at NQ. She ain't doing nothing. Remember when we was that you said what?
I was just gonna say Snowflake just keep pressing this thing down. They will not let Snowflake breathe, man. The high of the day for Snowflake.
I mean, you had that big drop candle, dude. You're not gonna get like, dude, you gotta wait. You got like, dude, you ain't getting nothing from them calls today.
I got time on it. I got time, but I'm just saying, like, it's everything else is green. We up. Hold on, let me see. We up 160 points on NQ right now, and they struggling. My dog Snowflake struggling.
Man. Snow should be with the Russell. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be there with the NQ. The NQ stocks should be there with the Russell. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I really don't even know what kind of company Snowflake is, honestly.
I think it's a cloud. I think cybersecurity.
Is it?
All that jazz. I don't know. But I wonder if do we ride this up like that? That would be. I mean, honestly.
Okay, so the real Iraq says cybersec. Okay. Yeah, I mean, let's see if they try to find. I think a better entry would probably 226. But this is one of those things where it's like, man, I don't know, man. I just don't know. We keep making all-time highs. NQ has made all-time highs once, twice, 3, 4 times in the last hour.
Hold on. Remember what I said? Put the take profit at 49? Cause she goes stop short of 50.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Let's talk about that.
I think 50 might be it, dude. I think you trying to go for 60? 50 might be it, man. Like, dude, without no retracement, this is like a hold on, dude.
Without a retracement.
Without a retracement, this gotta be at least a 200% move. Where's my 0 point? Yeah, this is a 200% move right here. From 145 up is a 200% move. You said what?
Where have there been any real retracements today? If you looking back,
none.
Like I'm talking real retracement.
I mean, it's at 4 o'clock. None, that's right? It.
Yeah, 4 o'clock was, but
actually,
back
so that's
here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, we're up almost 600% right now. I'm talking measured moves, people. Measured moves. A 600% measured move. And not the price itself, but the measured move. This one leg is up 600%. Said more.
You ain't seen that commercial?
Yeah. Or Kobe?
Bryant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More.
What the F does that even mean, Kobe Bryant?
Exactly.
Exactly. More.
Hey, that commercial goes over a lot of people's heads, man.
Yeah,
It'll go over your head.
It does. It does. Oh,
And-
should I
and-
have added? Should I add here?
No. No, I think this is it, bro.
I
I
don't.
think
Even if I
this is
do
it.
get,
Dude, I think
even
this
if
is it.
even if we do get, okay.
Dude, this is it, bro. Don't add into this, man. This is it. This
I
is
don't
it.
know.
Man, and Q, I'm trying to get into something, baby. I'm trying to get into something. I'm trying to get into something. I'm trying to get into something.
20. All right. I'll set a limit at 215.75. But all right, let me see. Let me adjust this real quick to there. Let's see if that holds up.
in about like in 2 minutes, I'm going to go real quick. Hop into this meeting. But yeah, this might be it right here, man. I mean, I guess it could keep going, but everybody was trying to touch 50. There has to be a retracement, and under that 210 low, that shit is probably going to touch 163. If price gets under 210, we probably seeing 163 again. 170, 163.
163. Oof.
170, 163 in that area. That's my measured move, baby.
225.
Says, are you short or long? Man, Alfred, man, don't tempt me like that, because I feel like, dude, because I'm a counter trend trader, if I'm going short, it's only because I'm trying to counter the trend. But yeah, I think this is it. It's looking like the top. It's looking like the top for right now. I think everybody and their mama was trying to shoot for 250.
Of course. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that is my bread and butter. I like the counter trend. Like, just imagine being patient. Yeah, patiently waiting for a short that may not come. Now, we all know that the momentum was bearish early in the session. Look at all this money that you made counter trending, and then the Bears finally gave it up. The Bears finally gave that shit up. They got tired of trying. Got tired of trying, dude. Look at this. The Bears tried. They got their stops ran. The Bears tried again. And you can tell that with this stop run up, more Bears tried. Look at how many stops. I bet there was a bunch of late Bears shorting right here. They probably saw this candle right here and started shorting. Shorting right here. And look at all this. Look at all their stops getting used as fuel to push it up to the real market objective of 250. Of really 249. Yeah. But all right, guys. I got to hop into this meeting real quick.
Yeah. This thing, yeah, I don't know. It's tipping over, but I don't know. I feel like they would buy it up though. Let me do some adjusting to this because we getting finally selling off there, and then we got negative red delta coming in. I wonder where's VWAP at? We left VWAP a long time ago. Yeah, I'm gonna actually take that off and see where this goes. Okay. Let's see how big of a drop we get. And we going into, oh yeah, it's 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock Eastern. Yeah. They may try to take over, but oh, I wonder. Let me see what they do at 196. 196 or 197, right where my limit is. Let me see what they do there. Because that would be 69. Okay. Like the never late is better. Remember I said, would it be crazy to see this? 300? 300? By golly, I think we can do it. I think we could do it today. 216. I mean, that's where I had my around where I had my limit the first time. Basically at the bottom of this range right here, or the bottom of these candles. It seemed pretty stacked right here, but it could overextend as well. I want to see. Let's see what we do. Let's go, Big Bear AI. Let's go. Get up there, baby. Cross that $4 threshold, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. Now you got some life in you. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. Oh, I didn't even check my SoundHound call, like what I would have made on those calls if I hadn't sold it too early.
Yeah. Yo, again, I told him not to sell.
Yeah, but in the moment, I was looking at NQ, thinking of the market as a whole type situation,
Mm-hmm.
and I was just like, yo, this shit's going down. And it did go down, but it got bought right back up.
Look at that, man. So when I said
Oh,
that technical analysis is technical analysis, this is why you can't convince me to trade any other way. We got that big drop, and it found support at that low right here, 1836. Right at that low, you can see there's support here, right here. Look at this support. I don't even look at the charts pre-market. So when I saw this, and I was like, yeah, this is definitely going up. When I saw this, I just didn't think that. I knew price was going to go up, but I knew there was going to have some trouble right here. Yep, there she goes. There she blows. There she goes. It's like, now, if you want to be a bear, don't try to FOMO into this because it's going to possibly retrace and you're going to get stopped out. The best entry for this short would have been obviously 249. The second best entry in this short would have been 237, 240. You would have been up at least, you're up 20 points right now. Yeah, book map, it seemed that the momentum has shifted on book map.
What is showing red
No,
delta?
no, I'm not looking at the delta. The only thing I look at on book map is you see that chart that's on the far right hand side, and you can kind of see the momentum. I'm a momentum based trader, so if I see momentum, I'm trading. Oh, Mohammed said that's what he did. Well, you got in at 249 or 240. This is Apple getting smashed. Yeah, let's look at Apple, man. Well, I mean, we see them kind of buying it.
Yeah, I saw an article on Apple talking about how they're just going with they don't think for themselves anymore. They're not innovative anymore.
I
They're
mean,
just
they're
going
not.
with.
I
Yeah,
mean,
they haven't been for a while. They like, oh, we're gonna stick to this bread and butter of these stupid iPhones and
I mean, it really does take a lot of effort to think. It takes a lot of effort to think. Oh, god damn, Apple. God damn, Apple is like that. Yo, I think like people just be randomly was like, okay, so let's pick a stock to attack today. Let's pick on Apple. We already done with Tesla. Let's pick on Apple now. Yeah, Apple's not innovative enough, even though they're $1 trillion company. Yeah, let's start selling them.
Pick on them.
Yo, the market is crazy, man. Let's look at these calls, man. I mean, let's look at these options, man. Look at Apple.
My Big Bear AI call options doing work right now. Let's go. I got an average cost of 37 cents. That's $37 per contract, baby.
So the 80 strike. So you can see that they're selling calls. I mean, they're buying a little bit of calls. But I mean, like I said before, a lot of this could be people buying their way or selling their way out of their positions. But if I see a bunch of calls being written, I'm just going to keep it simple. And Apple's going down. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it simple.
Fucking Riot. Yeah, you piece of crap.
But yeah. Damn, man. But so Apple might actually find some support right here. Usually with these gamma levels, from what I've seen, they usually go to the biggest one. And right now, this is the biggest gamma level on Apple. I wouldn't be surprised if it finds support right here. I wouldn't be surprised.
Let me take a look at Apple. Where Nvidia sitting at right now?
Man, that shit is like...
Okay, still the same spot we looked at like an hour ago. 816.
Yeah. Dang, I should have took it long. Yeah. See, this is why I know the Bears are crying right now, dude. I know they're crying right now. I know they're crying. Like, dude, you can't be a bear. This is a one-way market, and it's only going up. NQ is just making new highs every damn minute, every hour. New highs, new highs, new highs. So now it drops lower to 110 for him. You talk about Apple gain weight? Says Nvidia carrying the low by itself like always. Yep. Overpriced Vision Pro bosses. You know, yeah, I mean, if they drop the price to 2K, I think that's reasonable. But I will give it to them though. That environment feature on those pros, yeah. I would get one just for that. But I'm not.
I think it costs the estimated cost for that is around like $1,500, and so I think they at least wanted to double the
profits.
I think that's why they got it. Yeah, why they got it at so high. I was reading. Yeah, the estimated cost to build that thing is like $1,600, and the most expensive is like the display and the sensors. So that's why it's priced so freaking high.
And it's Apple too, so I mean, it's not.
And it's Apple.
It is Apple. It just works, baby. Yeah, like I said, hold on. I think my daughter's crying. Is she crying? What the hell is she crying about? Oh.
All right, what time is it? Hey, it's 11:14. I gotta get it going to do some stuff, but I'm gonna let this trade play out. I wonder if we can get to 300. Wonder if we can get to 300 today. There we go. Blast off. It's party time. We finally broke the 50 into the 50s for real. And Sherm, are you in it? Are you in anything?
Nah, I wish I was.
Damn.
And the Bears can't even eat. All new all-time highs. I think the conversation for all-time highs in NQ is just irrelevant at this point. It's just gonna keep making them. The Bears can't feed their cubs at all. But I think this might be it. I think so. It touched 50. We got it above 50. We'll see. Because, yeah, we're up so high without no retracement. I mean, why is everybody buying like this? What news came out?
They know something.
Like, what news came out? This is some NVIDIA's having a second earnings call, and they talking about they made a mistake the first time, and they're actually not a $1 trillion dollar company, but a quadrillion dollar company, a quadrillion billion dollar company. Shit. They got all the money in the world.
A quadrillion dollar company.
He says market edge, says FOMO. Yo, says Gameway says nah, he's gonna short $1 off from 20K. 19,999.
That's hilarious, actually. That is too funny. I'll keep my stop tight now. And whatever happens,
Dude,
stop me out before going high.
man, if this keeps going up, like, dude, I give up because, man, might let me just get in some target would have got hit. Should have kept it.
Yeah.
Epic short, yep. I'm just trying to get into something, baby. That's it.
Trying to get into something.
I'm just trying to get into something.
60s, they want the 60s now.
Dude.
They definitely want to take profit in the 60s now.
Huh.
Bears just want to get they want 42. But we're not gonna give them 42.
Huh.
55. Yeah, they want them 60s. So we say, no, you're not getting to the 42s.
Nah.
You're not getting up to the 40s. No.
Nah.
That's when you gotta tell them, no. Sit down, Bears. Get clapped.
Says, but we got Cubs to feed. Please.
We don't care about that.
We just want to pull back.
Care about that. We just want to pull back.
We just want to pull back. I want to pull back and chill, baby. That's it. I want to pull back and chill.
I'm gonna cut it right there.
Dude, yeah. I think this is probably gonna keep going up, man. Like, okay, let me look at this for real. Let me.
Yeah, I gotta keep going.
This is gonna keep going. You can't even take a short and be comfortable.
No, you can't. You really can't.
You sweating the whole time.
Buy the dips. Yeah, this is the more that Kobe was speaking of. That's right, Alfred. This is the more.
More. What does that even mean? Exactly. It means what it means, baby. It ain't good enough. When you revenge trade, that's when it makes sense. That's when that Kobe and Kanye commercial makes sense. When you revenge trading.
Look at her go. They want 60.
Yeah, I agree. It might as well. Yeah, might as well go to 300. Might as well. Just grinding. Man, dude, I had a freaking. She came back and stopped me out. The NQ is such. She's such.
Yeah, I think that would have stopped me out anyway too. But yeah, I'm done. I gotta get going, guys. I got some stuff I gotta take care of. But this was a crazy day so far.
I wonder. I'm not thinking anything. I'm just trying to see if I'm gonna see.
Oh, I didn't even see that they hit 50.
58.
58.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna probably wait for a pullback. Well, I'm gonna see if we get this today. I think 163 might. If we get a pullback, we might see 160, 170-ish. If it passes 190, if it breaks 210, then we know it's going down. So no, let's do this in sequence. If we get a pullback and we get a strong close underneath 210, we're gonna get that pullback and they're gonna sell it there. Then once they sell it at 210, We might
Bottom
see it
dips.
get to 170, 160, but that's if that
Damn.
happens. But this shit is still going up. God damn. And I'm
Yo, I
not
should
in
have held on
nothing.
to that.
I'm
I'm
not
not
in
in it
nothing.
either. I closed out. Talk about it. I gotta
Ah,
go. Look at this.
dude.
All right, yeah. Let me get out of here.
Are
Yeah.
you FOMOing the song? Yeah,
I'm
that's a
trying to
hands
see
off
something,
shirt.
like you. I'm trying to see something. Yeah. I'm gonna get on up out of here.
I'll stay for 10 more minutes, people. I'm gonna stay for 10 more minutes. I'm gonna end the stream at 11:30.
Okay. All right, yeah. Everybody in this one, go head over to Sherm stream. I'll post it again if y'all. It's pinned at the top. Pinned at the top.
Is this it? Is this it though? Is this it? Is this it? Look at this, dude. Look at this breakout. I mean, okay, so this is what I see. This is what I see. This is what I just saw just now. So let's see if this plays out. All right, well, let me get this tool first. So you see this? You see how first, what the? All right. You see how she was trading in the range right here? She's trading in the range.
Oh man.
Dude, what the hell is my side? Okay, it's like, dang, where's she at? All right, so you see it's trading in a range, and we got this range breakout into what could be possibly resistance.
What did we get to? 263. Okay. Cool, cool, cool.
So if
All right, y'all.
oh crap. Wow. Okay. All right. So if they keep this going, we just got to break out of a range. Can this go to 280? Can this get up to 280? I mean, it should. Yeah, this might as well just go up to 300.
I'll
This might
hop
as well
in.
just go up to. Yeah, this might just go up to 300.
I'll hop in the chat in the voice chat on my phone. But
Okay.
all right, bro. Later.
Can this get up to two freaking? Can this get up to 270, 280? I mean, at this point, the only thing to do at this point is to choose the FOMO in law or wait for a reversal pattern. Remember early in the stream, I was just trying to get into something and she stopped me out right here? She stopped me out right here for no reason, just to do all this. Or actually, no, where was it at? I think it was at like at 220. I think she stopped me out right here. Yeah, it was right here. She stopped me out. She wicked down, took my stop, and then went higher. Yeah. He says, Sherm, don't trip and hit the button. I don't know, man. No, I see what you're trying to do, game weight. I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to get me to buy. And as soon as I buy, that's when the market will short. Because that's how she works. So we got him. I mean, with Bookmap, you can see that now the Bulls kind of got momentum. Look at, yeah, they're pushing this up. The Bears are trying to sell it. You can see that they got their, you can see that they got it, but the Bears got this. You can see that the delta is positive. Mm. Mm. This is Ninja Scalp OBS. We use OBS. Honestly, I think that's, well, yeah, OBS is probably like the most popular version. You'll see more videos with OBS than any other platform. I mean, I haven't checked anything for Streamlabs or any other platforms to stream, but since OBS is so popular, you can just basically look up videos of any problems that you run into, and you'll most likely find a solution. Some better than others. Actually, let me just throw in the guy that I looked at for anybody that wants to start their own YouTube channel and set up the stream and stuff like that. Just throw this guy in there.
You said what? We got some aspiring traders hopping in.
Shit, I hope so. YouTube? I hope so, man. Hey, man, this YouTube thing, man, I was telling the stream this yesterday. YouTube is it really exposes who you are. It will expose you. All the lies you tell yourself. Start a YouTube channel. Start one.
Yeah.
Start a YouTube channel, dude. And you'll see this guy right here. This is where I got like most of my, man.
Honda, we've chased down a lot of dreams. Each one leading to the next.
270 hit. Damn.
Introducing the all-new, all-electric Honda Prologue.
Okay.
Oh, no. Try my Old Spice. You can use it on your pits, chest, and even...
Hello, my YouTube.
Yeah, this guy right here. This guy. He's real clear. He's real concise on his tutorials. I think I looked up a majority of everything that I need to set this thing up with this guy. So if y'all want to start it, here it is. This guy right here. It's called Michael Fay, wherever you say his last name, how you say that. But that's the guy right there. So we got the 270. Let's see if we can get to 80. So we want to see discipline. Yo, me not FOMOing into this, man, that's discipline. That is discipline, dude. Because you saw how many times she stopped out I'm trying to get into something position and she stopped me out for no reason just to do this. But I did get my revenge. I did get my money back, so I'm not gonna cry about that. Says you can drop the link in the chat. Sure. Where's that, guys? Did I just close? I think I just closed that thing out. Let me see if I still got it up. This guy. So this is the guy that I learned OBS from. Yeah, that's the guy right there. No problem. But yeah, this is definitely, y'all will see why, like once you start getting into this, you will see why no one really does this for free for too long. You'll see why. Because it requires a lot of effort to maintain this. First off, to do it. I mean, if you hire somebody to do everything for you and you're just there as a personality, I mean, yeah, you could do that. And the investment isn't as big. But if you're a type of person that want to do everything themselves and build it up from the ground up, yeah, it's a lot of investment. And then you realize in the morning that a lot of your schedules conflict. Like, okay, so I got to start the stream at this time. And then around the time where you need to start the stream, that's when, your wife, boyfriend, sister, brother, mother calls you and they want to take up your time. Like, dude, I'm about to start a stream and you're the bad guy because you're not paying them no attention. Or you get a call from work. There's always something that conflicts with your schedule. And you really have to have your priorities straight when you do stuff like this. So that's what I'm learning so far. And for Smith to do it as long as he did, yeah, shout out to Smith. Shout out to Smith. Because it's easy being behind the scenes, but when you're setting everything up, it is definitely challenging. Definitely challenging. Yeah. Yeah, the trading psychology is different. Living trades or live trading. I say, oh yeah, so you can set a private stream. So YouTube will record your stream if you set it to private, and then you can make it public after the market closes or whatever. You can do that as well. But yeah, so yeah, if you're a trader and you have performance anxiety, that's definitely an added thing to it because people want to see trades, man. I mean, you don't have to trade. No one's not holding a gun to your head, but there is an invisible gun to your head. People want to see trades. Win or lose, people want to see you trade, and you have to kind of find that middle ground of being entertaining, being responsible, finding the correct trades because people are going to follow you, even though you tell them not to follow you. But you can't help what people do. As long as you tell them that, hey, it's not financial advice, you take trades at your own risk. Yeah. Yeah, that's what makes the stream good. Yeah. People want to see you in trades. So that was what I had. That's why I came up with this strategy. Normally I'm more, I've explained this yesterday, but this is how I trade my Top Step account. I trade like this, and I'll wait. I'll wait for it to come to my entry. I don't get aggressive and do this. I don't do that. But because I'm streaming and people want to see trades, people want to see and make you feel like you're in a trade, I can get more aggressive with less risk. I'm in micros. I only lose $500 if it hits my stop, but that's if it doesn't take off trades. I think if it takes off half my trades, it turns into a $200 to $300 loss, which it can be easily recoverable with another aggressive entry, because if it hits all my targets without me moving it, it's like $300. It's like it's originally $300, risking $5. But you see me move up my trade, so it's usually 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 after I move it up. Actually, after I readjust my targets, but if it hits all my targets, it's $300. Yeah, 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 and I try to mix that in too with this price action. This price action does not lie. I mean, even in the moment, we was like, man, this is looking bearish. The price action, the channel has always been bullish. That's why if y'all see me fight the trend, I'm just basically fighting. I'm not fighting I mean, this has been an up channel. If y'all see me fighting the momentum, is because I'm trading the trend or the market structure. If I see higher highs, I'll get in long, even if the momentum is bearish. Even if it's bearish, you can see we had all these bearish moments. All the momentum was bearish, and at the end of the day, price was trending up this whole time. That's why you'll always see me usually counter trend momentum if I see price or the structure is going up. I might get stopped out a couple of times, but I'm not going to change my conviction until I see a break of structure, and then I'll go short. But I'm not short in this market. I've already said that. I'm not short in this market. Appreciate that, Danny. It says people come to live stream and looking to copy streamers. They complain if you're wrong and call you a fraud if you don't show the P&L. Well, yeah, that is true. That is definitely true. That is definitely true. I mean, you can't blame them. I mean, we had a lot of frauds. We had the Furu era where everybody was selling courses. And that was before we knew that they were photoshopping their profits and stuff like that and showing the fake rented out Lamborghinis and stuff and the jets that they photoshop in the background. We didn't know that. We thought these people were for real. So I mean, yeah. I mean, it's understandable. Says that was my issue at first, not surviving. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, especially if you're heavy size. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, but we're gonna definitely do more of this, man. We'll definitely do more of this. And as you see, I don't have any indicators on my chart. The only thing I have are the 3 EMAs. If I can only choose between one EMA, the only EMA I would have is a 21 EMA. The 50, in my point, or in my opinion, is if the price breaks the 21 EMA and finds support at the 50, then I know, okay. Because well, obviously in this instance, I mean, if it closed underneath the 21 in the 50, that confirms a short. But usually if it breaks the 21, the 50 will catch it. And it'll kind of give me confirmation to stay in my position a little bit longer. This green line is VWAP, and this gray line is a 200 EMA. And we all know that if price is above the 200, we go long. If it's below, we go short. I mean, it's simple. But if you get a break above the 200, then we go long. It's a simple strategy. Yeah, especially we was talking about that Panda Wu guy. Man, dude, I understand because you can be a good trader, but you can't be wrong. As soon as you're wrong, I mean, I guess except if you're ICT, I guess you can be wrong and say your broker is hunting your stops and everybody's still believing you. But for everybody else, if you're wrong that one time, everybody's like, oh my God, even though you were right 9 times out of 10, this one time you're wrong, you're a fraud. I'm unsubscribing, I'm blocking, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. And it's like, dude.
The broker hunted my stops. I had to come back in for that. That's hilarious.
I don't want people at I don't want people at TradeAvate or TradingView copying my trades like they don't make $1 billion selling their trading platform. Yeah, they need to copy your trade, buddy. The fuck?
Exactly. Clown behavior.
Dude, we get it, man. We lose sometimes, man.
The following will believe and stand by it. Yeah, man, they just hunting his stop. They don't want to see him win.
They ain't trying to see him eat.
Every day.
You need to refund my eval because I copied you. Okay, dude. That is funny. Dude, I wouldn't be surprised if someone actually said that to somebody. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, dude, if you ain't trading live, we ain't hearing that shit. It's 2024 now, baby. If you ain't streaming it live, we ain't hearing that shit. If you ain't in that Robbins Cup, because that's the trend now. If you ain't trades by Max, like I said, I'm going to say it again, man. Props out to him. He did that shit scared. That's how he's supposed to do it. He did it scared. And he did it anyway. Unlike some frauds. I don't trade live. I don't do this. I don't do that. Get the hell on out of here, bro. We ain't trying to hear that shit no more. That Furu era is over, baby. Cause shit, you go on Twitter, you really can't find no more Furus no more. You really can't. I don't know. Yeah. Says good traders only, yeah, like 40 to 60%. Like I've seen those numbers. I actually had somebody come to me with those types of numbers, and I was like, with the risk reward, you can lose your trades, but you can lose majority of your trades. But if you have a 30% win rate, you're profitable. If you manage your risk to reward properly. Yeah. At first I didn't believe it, but then I was like, well, in my mind, technically being profitable is having $1 more than what you did. That's technically being profitable. Technically. But back then I was like, dude, that doesn't sound right, because being profitable to me is like being up 1,000, 2K, 5K. That's profitability, not being up $1. But technically, yeah, you're profitable if you make $1. You're profitable if you make 1 cent, technically. technically. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah. We almost got to 80. I got a measured move of 80, 280. So we'll see. We'll see if that, I mean, it missed it by about 3 points. You can see that it's still riding up the 21 EMA. This 21 EMA is almighty. Almighty. That's all you need is this 21 EMA. That's all you need if you had to choose one. But all right, guys, it's nice trading with y'all. I'm gonna end it here. Smith, if you're still in the chat, or if you're still on, you got anything for the risk managers in the chat? I'm guessing that he's probably off. Yeah, it's just been rotting it.
I got nothing. Yeah, I got nothing. Where's Price at?
Price, dude, if you stayed in your long, if you stayed in it, we touched highs of 77.50. If you stayed in your long, if you stayed in it.
I got out, but I had moved my TP to 80, 280.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. But yeah, I got nothing.
All right, people. Peace. We'll do this again. We'll do this again.
Stay green if you're gonna trade the rest of the day. Sure.
Yeah. Stay green. Don't try to short this. You can see all these bears are crying right now. Look at all their stops. Look at all their stops getting hit. So we already know what to expect on Monday. No! How did I do this? How did I do this? No! How did I move this? It's supposed to be locked. Wow. Okay. Yo, what the hell? Now I gotta go back and find out where this damn thing was. Supposed to have been locked. But all right, guys. Peace.